Welcome people, big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. So, now we no time. I'm in Negril, now an ample that's a name. I remember if an ample that's a name, but I'm there out by Firehouse place. So, this is I'm on the shoot of the start of a new movie. So, we get some official BTS, behind the scenes video of Richard Brown Films. So, what we are going to do is we are going to meet some of the actors because you know them have new actors now. See if we can find out the personality of these actors as opposed to one sitting at the movie. And you know, see how everything come together. If they fight and cuss them one another, the whole coming together of the movie. I'm not certain what the movie name, but all I know is that they are beginning and they are starting a new movie today. And we get some behind the scenes, meet the actors, them, all that good stuff. But we don't know how Lara do it, not true? Now if we get some nice visuals. Where uno call intro, me call B-roll. How do it? So guys, first person, me steal her from the class. Come. Yeah, try to run. I have to move around the crowd because as you know, seeing the B-roll video them come on. So introduce yourself, Miss Kelani.
Hi guys, my name is Kelani.
She don't know what happened to her right now, no? But anyhow, how does it feel? Tell her about a little movie acting thing.
Yes.
Come talk to her. Tell her what going on with the movie business, Richard Brown Films. Tell her, talk to her, what know what going.
Good day everyone, my name is Kelani. I don't like giving out my last name, but my name is Kelani.
Chung body Kelani.
Well, my first time in Richard Brown Films was the day when Akeem came to me and asked if I could be a part of it.
Oh yes, the blouse and skirt. I remember when you see her when I get road there, so I see her come. I look at her now. Well, I never really look nobody. You know I like flirt and things, so yeah, I know I'm not even remember that. Anyways, continue a story that my friend.
And so I began to express my true inner self and get comfortable. And now we're having a lot of fun because we are having also a movie releasing with me. It's When Will You Stop Lying? Yeah, but my experience here has been wonderful. Sometimes, you know, we have our ups and downs, but
her face might look like she's serious, guys, but
I am.
She's not serious. I
am. But I love to laugh.
Serious.
I love to laugh.
So, one more question before me let her go off of the video now is, what you see for yourself and Richard Brown Films? Like, where you will see yourself? I see yourself a part of this team 5 years from now. You see growth 5 years from now and all of that?
I do because if we do the maths, how long have I been in this institution actually? But almost a year and a half.
Almost 1 year, not true?
Yes, and I'm still here.
Almost 1 year since I come here gate, come tell us, Ray.
Yes.
Rastafari. So guys, there you have it. As I say, I not plan the question, I not think more bunks. So I'm done with it now, you can go and do it.
Thank you.
Hold on. You have no man?
Yes, I do. I have a boyfriend.
Alright, that one I taken, guys. So, I know nobody link up Richie on Instagram. I tell him to link up with no strong body girl.
Link can link me up, man.
You know, just have one.
You know, my friend like that.
You see, you know that? Them girls are wicked, them wicked.
No, I don't mean that.
My name is Tori Shea in fact, but you can call me Tori.
So tell me a little bit about what going on there at us now.
Right now.
Alright, because I know my audience like. So I'm not gonna believe me, but she does not know who I am. She is clueless.
Yeah,
we actually come down here together. So my name is Akeen. I'm a videographer, editor, all that good stuff. Not an actor like yourself.
Yeah,
all of them good stuff. So me I do acting?
I've seen it.
Which person you do?
I can't remember. I moved with them in Saturday and one landlord one time.
Guys, we're famous!
what go on in the movie, a real issues that go on right now. I want to find a way to make it so creative. It did just grab me and I was like, whoa, never did expect this. So, at the end of that movie, I think a Curious and Richard Brown there say, you know, say, if you're interested in being a part of this, you can link me up.
So hold on, and Richard them did a link from before this then?
I know, today we
Oh, you mean you see it in the video where my son can... Oh, okay,
That's
so,
what happened.
okay.
So I say, alright, if that's the case, let me link him then and see how soon he would respond.
So...
I can't believe so I see him 19 respond.
Yeah, I understand. So, how does it feel? Excited? Like,
Definitely, man.
what are you looking forward to?
You see, I'm a media person. I studied media in school and from young I did always interested in entertainment and even some acting, right? But that passion did just kind of quell over the years. Me just start up on the pursuit for the money and kind of did lose this passion in me. So right now...
I feel my audience, I say, like them want to look in at them eyes.
Yes, they all, yeah. So because audience, me wish my dad stand up in front of them right now. But yeah, this is just me getting back that passion because me can't act, you know. This possibly how you see me now, you probably can see one character, but me can go into some different characters. It just have to take a little more practice. So guys, nobody to judge me, but I'm very excited for this. Very, very excited, and whatever role me get, I'm gonna try my best to embody.
And just start it up,
It does make me excited, very excited. So I'm ready for start.
Alright, so 2 down guys, 2 persons then excited. And hear how the link up going and passionate about acting. I look forward to it. New movie I start today. You gotta play first.
Yeah.
You have no idea where I play today?
I have no idea at all.
No idea.
So whatever role me get, me just ready for it. Ready for it. Whether it is some ghetto girl, whether it is some gangster, or whether it's some...
You know, I think a gangster thing would I work with us still.
Because that's me naturally.
Yeah, you look like a gangster thing would I work with us.
We can do the female walk clean and put on heels. I like that. I like that. We can.
Your glasses. No man, they don't show you a fan work. Yeah man, sorry. That funny I forget you to help.
And that's your own there to help.
And that, I just that tell them saying I probably have to help out the fun, you know?
Oh, it's soon build up plan.
You look like you can catch him, man.
Somebody have to build up, you know?
And then that they tell us, and they say you have to patiently wait.
No, you have to stay. That funny need help. It is special. Water in the fridge, dog. What? The girl is a being dog, I know.
I don't understand how the whole one just come in and shine video saying, you know?
We have water, and that's how it is.
We're
that's how
invaders.
around
Jamaican invaders.
And we buy it.
Me ask you where them rest or something.
Yeah, look in the fridge, I don't know. Are them people that deal with the
My paparazzi live in our house, you know? I'm a star, you know, so paparazzi have to live in our house, you know, I think. So, Curious King,
Say,
how go in the kitchen now?
we have cut up some sweet potato. You know what I mean?
Yeah, Curious King, that food, no? Real Rasta, with the sweet potato and thing. Eat your grow you eat, no?
So you go, you know?
Yeah. So, people, we're in a Negril over which part the prostitutes are, or usually there. I know this because of my previous occupation. So, I will talk to Richard Brown and find out what they might do. Yeah, so, yeah.
The wet man. The wet, like really wet. If you walk from this, so most likely you wouldn't. Alright, yeah, come by the side because it don't look better for the camera if you just walk straight and sit right there. So. Right, so wipe it off.
So, what you say happened now to say now, Mr. Brown?
Alright, so we have developed this story, so we have to get some nice cutaways, and it's always good to change the scenery. So we just kind of use up a beach park to kind of help tell the story. You see me?
And what story is that for all the people I'm clueless, I know?
We have a big discussion. Don't go too far, right there, sir. We have a big discussion in regards to relationship and abuse. So what we are trying to tell the story from 2 angles. From the male perspective of being abused and from the female perspective. So we just kind of tell a story from this, and then we just get the end result.
Alright, so this is a part of you getting all of that storyline together.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so ready? So don't talk, though, right? Hold it right there, hold it. I already know. Alright, I'll go next one. Alright. Alright, so basically.
Look at the movie stars. Tori, Shan, director Mr. Brown over there, so. And Mr. Alton. Just a while ago have one lady I try to sell him some. Alton, how that go a while ago? That woman that try to sell us something a while ago?
Yes, broad daylight, brother.
How I price? How much you say?
Run out her house and look like she get cut out. Whatever happened to her and she gone a doctor. So you know hear that now, so you're not get your friend phone. You're gone over there if you're going to look for your friend. If you're not wrong with her, you're going to see somebody say you realize you see blood on your gum now. Whatever. So you get angry and start or you like you want to fight him. And then you know end up in a sexual thing. Same time now she, but we don't have to work with the time. The time would have to be John, like it happened before. So by the time you will go over there, she would have come look for you. You understand? So while you go look for she now, she will look for you. So you could have be cross the platform. So after she get dressed up or whatever for boy or whatever, kind of big. You understand? So you can say, no man, I just pan her finger. So you get her cut pan serious.
Say that I should have come back and look for me and buck up in you.
Yeah, she asked me to buck up on me.
So, yes people, them just gone, them do them like a deliberation as to how them a get that part of the movie together. So, when you hear what Mr. Brown said earlier, it have to do with abuse and relationship from both male and female perspective. So, what time is it now? 10:40. And I'm still up discuss movie. So I joined in for like a piece of the editing earlier, and yeah, we are follow the Richard Brown films thing, guys. So look like there is more to it than they actually expect, because I think people would have sleep at them hours. Someone are dead curious.
You breathe small, bad boy. I don't want to run marathon when the body asleep to move. You understand it?
Like say asleep, people come off asleep, and asleep people come off asleep in a bus. At work, people come off work. We up
One
now.
day they can do a movie in a 2D and done before the movie. You want to try to set one record? But we get everybody asleep. I must think everybody asleep. Who can sleep fast is enough?
Works the lag one. We'll get some more visuals. Even I take a verse and joke now. How much finger you see? Bunny ears. She tired, guys. How your body feel?
Hello.
No, physically, how you feel?
Physically, mellow.
Mellow? What mellow mean?
What mellow?
What mellow
Feel,
mean?
yeah.
What mellow feel
It's
like?
heavy.
Heavy?
It's heavy. But a good one.
So, alright, you remember what I talked about earlier? Alright, so you have a better idea role we are playing now?
Yes, oh my. I'm playing one of them roles there where people please not hate me or judge me for this first role, but I'm playing
Abusive
an
man.
abusive
I think no woman are gonna
character.
side with you. I don't think them are gonna dislike you. I think I like them are gonna like you. Jamaican people weird, you know. You understand? It's when a man I do the abusing, which me condemn 100%. When the woman I do the beating, no, it's like everybody support it. Anyhow, what the experience like so far?
Boy, one thing can say these people work, but the experience is nice, man. Everything easy. We're part of we're part of the ideas, you know, the idea making, basically.
Yeah. Feel like family yet?
It gets in there, you know.
I
We
get
still
there.
get to know each other. We still work on the scenes, them, and working together so far has been good, man. It has been. I mean, not really to know much about the abusive role, but they've been helping me and assist me in a day. Oh, it just
I fun I want
Just
to help
to be-
guys.
Yeah.
In my humble opinion though, she embodied that character like good. Thumbs up. When I was seeing at the movie.
Well.
Morning. It is day 2 of the shoot of that movie. Alright, the thing is, we can get a bit confusing. So I know I said they were starting a new movie. But throughout the course of everything, so this is the second day now. Second day. So during the course of everything, what I realized is that sometimes what the whole team does, the Richard Brown Films, the whole team, what they do is sometimes they'll be shooting a movie, right? And then they start another movie, right? No, probably because the resources that are needed to shoot probably a second movie, they are there, so they just use that resource or use those resources and start that movie. Understand? So like they'll have like 3-4 movies concurrently. So that is what I realized. Yeah, got some early shots this morning with Richard Brown. So yeah, I never expect it to be so much. But I think them just don't finish one movie and then, but like the man they not play with the thing, man. All 2-3 movies start shoot one time. Are you rested now, my boss?
Yo, I'm rested, man. Up early and now, see if we can get some food. Pot a boil and just start edit and start shoot. So we're not playing now. We're not playing.
I'll play. Hello, beautiful, wonderful, amazing Jamaicans, everybody. Big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. So, I'm in Negril. I guess you guys would have probably figured that out by now. I'm in Negril. So, we skipped a couple days from our last video. So, you know, we spoke to another actress. If we look at some clips, let's just look at some clips from, I think it was what, day 3. We stopped at day 2. So I think it was day 3. Yeah, we spoke to Shan and Tori was there. You guys saw that video with Tori. So I'm in Negril now, as I would have mentioned. Yeah, over those past couple of days, it's insane work, guys, like no joke. So yes, you guys are probably wondering what are we doing in this video. So I on set. Not going to tell you exactly what we're going to do, but I think you guys are going to enjoy it, especially persons who are, you know, core fans of Richard Brown Films. So yes, but you guys know how we do. We have to get some intro, all that good stuff, and then we get into doing what I think you guys will enjoy. So yes, it's amazing, it's amazing. But when I'm a long time subscriber, them even earlier to them come right on my foot there. So Rowan McNeil, big up yourself, my boss, manners and respect, and thanks to the link up. One whole heap of reason, but we don't want to hear about that anyway. So yes, it's just amazing the things that happen, them run them pot. It's crazy, you get me? So now we get some intro and see how immersive and interesting we can make this, and you know, amazing journey and take on all that. I love chat too much, I get some intro. People seem to even know my wind up inside so far.
Happy for life.
How you go, Candy?
Right here, sir. At the shop.
Your fans don't know which pan name right there, so.
I'm going at the shop.
You didn't even would look on them, boy.
Oh my God. You depend life with you?
I depend live.
Seriously?
As in it a record, yeah. Where you go, Candy? Where you go?
Going at the mini mart. Come show you mini mart.
Where you go, mini mart? Go do?
Right here.
Where you go, mini mart? Go do? Blood
I'm
clean.
going to get some chicken seasoning.
Yo.
I'm going to the mini mart.
Mini mart, guys, mini mart. So that we are doing another video. We are follow up and doing Candy. Because I know someone love Candy, so fear thing of it different. Not that we are singular out, but we not always Candy, we love Candy, so we are follow up Candy up and down today.
What's that, me throat? Grandma make me a choke. Grandma! No, man.
So Candy, are you a cook?
No.
So you usually cook all the while on there?
Yeah, me look how much time me cook. Then give me a break now, man. Krista going to cook, not me.
So yeah, I can cook?
Yes, I.
So differently though still, like where there shop, so I interviewed until the shopkeeper. Forward, so you better pray to them or come.
Oh, I look like she did there.
So,
sleep. Yeah?
Our general there. I deal with the shop business, Papa. Alright, Candy, I get to her because we not to interrupt her and make she do what she do. And then
I'm going to buy chicken seasoning. What kind of chicken seasoning? Maggie? You have no Maggie? Yes, see them the man. Hurry up now. No, put on the pot on the fire.
I Candy, they are rushy shopkeeper, I don't understand.
I'm a friend then. You're lucky.
But I see him somebody in a movie.
No more.
Candy, so I say like they're rough in a movie, them I say rough in a real life.
Yes, me a bad girl, and you nobody like me. I joke. Me a lover, I'm not a fighter. Much money? 1 Pepsi, please, and thank you. 1 Pepsi.
So how long you can now, Candy?
From the time when me start.
Oh, when I fire us and link up?
Yes.
But a long time I want to act because from the first time I see like you want even African. Give me a piece of African accent.
Sure.
She have it, you know. She have it, you know.
For $250, $100 and $150. So just give me back $250, please.
So you acting a go on Candy. How you like it so far? How everything?
Listen to me now, me love beg. You can send some money for PayPal things. Cause we want one camera, we want mic, we need some other something, and we need costumes. So big up on yourself. I don't know if Candy done love on a long time. You know. Listen to me now. Yes, the Candy now. I tell you straight from Richard Brown film. Me and Akeem a big bridging to you now. We a team worker. Big up on yourself. I don't can go up on Akeem film all the time.
Akeem film, yeah.
You don't know Akeem film?
What you mean?
You don't know Akeem film?
Of course you have to know Akeem film.
Akeem film, me say, and then Richard Brown film.
Yeah.
Go up on it and like, subscribe and share. Big up on yourself. If you don't see me on
So Candy, what cook? You want go on. We get to big up them.
Chicken.
Receive them and we love it. Right now, I'll hug you up for them. Come and hug you up.
Sure. See this.
Alright, so then get to and hug up for you. So,
Alright.
curry chicken.
Love you, honey. We not do no curry tonight because some of them belly easy for run. But like all me now, my belly nothing and do it. Me have anything. And he not do me nothing. Me have iron belly.
Yeah, stuff. Alright.
Me have iron belly. He not do me nothing. Me teeth Richard Brown. $150 by Pepsi. You know, get it back then send me a shop, they must pay me. Then to out I mean I work for nothing.
Zado star. So I'm gonna get one little taste of Candy because we not finished yet. Now because I remember night not come down all now. You understand me? And as me tell you now, I'm there, I follow up with things. So definitely leave a like, guys, as you're here. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I don't know which character I want to see. I don't want to see the little girl who are coming in the movie when I go see next month. I'll catch her. But I see her around the stove. As you know what I see in the little clip, she on fire there in the kitchen and things. So I saw it work down here, guys. The the lifestyle, the living, the kind of person, like, you know, change. I get me at the same people, like, even though the success come and it's still a growing thing, I see them people, I see them kind of living, I see them kind of positive energy, positive environment. And it's nice, as you can see. And lockdown will come shortly, so you know, so them I get, yo, them people are shoot movie like 100 movie in a one day, like different scene, and then get to work and edit them. And as me tell them, I jump in on some of the edits, and guys, it is a whole lot. It make when me do coming like nonsense, you understand me? So yeah, have some other actors, I don't know, Fun Size, Short, Bieber, Shantai. We did a 20-minute video together, so she's going to come down, so now the acting process, so you know, I catch her now the behind the scenes. I don't know, I don't see how the thing are going. So yeah man, stay tuned. Video not done yet, left a like on the video. Tell me who no want to see, who no want me ask them, who no want to find out if them have man, or if them like nobody on the set. Yeah, we have to do a little investigation thing too, you know what I mean? Find out if none of the actor them fall in love with them one another and them kind of something there. So yeah, all that tonight too. So there, she what? What she do? She are the movie star. You know big up your fans them. Me say if you not big up your fans them.
Hi everybody, love y'all.
Then I see that a while ago, you have to say it again. Huh? Then I see it again. I true, then I see it. Tell them what you do. Tell them what I go on.
May I season up, put up some meat actually. Very nice seasoning about it.
So people, the actors, they know about this. They don't feel like I know pia thing, you know. Serious over here, so know what I'm do to, you know. So Curious King. So they know say food have to eat, things have to cook.
I like the chicken wing. I don't want no chicken breast.
You want food, my sister?
Yes.
How far you come tell me what you know?
Who don't want no food?
You don't want no food, get bad now today.
You don't want no food?
Nobody
So
want
say nobody don't want no
food.
food. Look here. I need the wing. Give me all like, how much wing come from one chicken? 10?
4.
Give
A 4. You want it for them?
No,
I
a
take
12
one.
come from one chicken,
A
want it
16.
12 of them. You take your leg, me not like leg. Give fire the breast, I love breast. That's why he always the chop.
That's why I always say do it.
Breast.
Always a chat about breast, not true?
Yes. Me always chat about breast.
What is scratch bag?
Me not like breast, breast too trashy. Me want it 10 wing them.
So Mr. Brown,
Hey, what, chat to me.
floor is yours. Last day of March, make your people them know what's going on.
Watch a food one.
Can it's a March of full month, which he should write still, but apart from that, we have a whole heap of projects that we have lined up, but we are edit.
That's what I look on right as
Yeah,
well.
it's a one and that's a one next one over there. So.
But I want a new computer and sit in my boss.
Well, me want one laptop, you know, this is one for around a long time, more than 6 years. It's that one I know, but you don't know where work we have. So I wouldn't mind if them sorry for it. No, we don't want to use the word sorry for. Wouldn't mind if they can buy one nice gaming laptop for edit video.
John no star, that would have tough. So General, new member to the team.
Yes.
I introduce yourself, make them know who they are. So.
Alright, so I'm for saying full name Kevin Maduri, but you can call me Mega.
Man, so nervous a freak.
I abusive, see him there. You abusive man in an upcoming movie, you know, soon see it. So yeah. Why your role on the team, General?
So, I'm the main editor.
Yeah?
Right now, I don't know if I will play no scene. I don't know if I have the part of me the acting part. As the man say, I'm nervous, but I'm not nervous.
Yeah.
I have too much names, so I don't know right name to say, see me.
So how you feeling so far? How you feel? How environment and everything? How it feel?
Well, me used to environment, you know, the whole editing thing, and nothing new to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just get used to the whole short movie thing. I normally used to the music video and event video, so I don't know new to me still.
Alright, my General, big up yourself.
Alright, listen.
Long journey ahead. So Mr. Brown, not more you want to tell me? Last day of March, whole heap of project.
Well, me just, hold on a channel. Can't take time to talk to you, baby.
Movie. I like the movie.
So basically, the amount of projects that we have lined up, we are trying to edit and trying to get together, because this is the thing. We realize that content is king, and not just content is king, but we are trying to make sure that we have whole heap of content after content after content to make sure that we can put out even 2 movies a week. And one other thing, we're launching a brand new channel, so I will just make sure that at least every week we have 2 movies I got, one for Richard Brown Films, one for Jammywood. So
hold on, stop. Name my channel?
Jammywood.
Jammywood. How me spell that?
I think at Jammmi. Jammmi. Ood. Listen.
Alright, man. So that's how the new different kind of movie them all go, or every kind of movie?
Every kind of movie. But the thing is, what we are trying to differentiate with Richard Brown Films in terms of Jammywood is that we want Jammywood to be a place where if you have filmmakers who don't have a platform and want to put out their movie, they can link and say, oh, Richard Brown, we have a film that we want to go out, but we don't have a platform. You can link, we put it on Jammywood, and in that sense, once it go out and it bring in revenue, then we can say, alright, you get this, we take that. So we want to make it be like a Hollywood, but a Jammywood.
Alright,
Jamaica.
so, one more thing before we go.
Jammywood.
Last day of March, today, Wednesday or Thursday? Wednesday, tomorrow Thursday, Friday, lockdown. What are the plans then for the lockdown?
Alright, the plan is similar to the last lockdown what we have, is that we realize...
Hold on, I don't mean to stop you. But I got to do one repeat.
Then, after lockdown, like, alright, for example,
them the amount of shooting they and thing I talk about.
Well, we are trying to do a little bit more than what we did the last time. Anything we pose a challenge for we try to use it to your advantage. So the lockdown come now, but we can't get from mobile and move from one place to the next. So guess what we do? Can't everybody come one place and just put in the work. Because the work have been done. No matter how nobody want to take it, lockdown go on, we have bills to pay still, we have picnic to take care of, we have ourselves to take care of, plus we have an obligation to the fans to create. So we can't make that be a challenge, you see me? Yeah.
Alright, my boss, thank you. Morning beautiful people, pick up on yourself, welcome back to the channel yet again. So first day of the lockdown, I have one new member to talk to, and I really new, but yeah, first day of the lockdown, first everybody, I actually wake up before everybody. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to do a quick run through, wake up who no wake up. We'll go around the place and see what go on in the early morning, but as per usual, we don't know how we do it. We get some nice visuals and then we do what we do. I don't know what happened today, apart from that is shooting. So as me tell you, we're gonna do some like investigation, find out, little things them how they talk about in the last upload. So yes, so I have no specific plan, but we're just go ahead, use the basic sense them what God give you, and do investigation and find out. When I come along the journey with we, it's nice. So make we do that. We get with nice visuals and then all of that good stuff. So yeah. The females are always the lazy ones. So they can't wake up. Wake up! What's that? Don't look for them. I woke up like this and I can't see truth now, guys. Oh, yeah. Yes. When you wake up. You woman over there, sir.
Like him up all the while.
Exactly. Like him bleach all night. Let me see if I white.
So who look how long wake up?
Let me see if I white.
So I see him there. He just wake up still, but as he wake up, he end up on here and make sure say I can get some content as quick as possible. Me and edit off a knockout because you know what's everyone in there out. So we not
whole night last night
we not mash him up. He ain't good, right? So how far are we there now, Janelle? How far are we there now?
Well, we just in line out all the edits and again, we just double check them. I think we're already.
I'll get your booze and your calls for this one ass.
The right time about that, me I thought him pull over.
Why a problem with me pull over?
Every day you see that it's... Yeah, wash it. You can smell it.
Can't smell it.
Prawns.
Yo,
You're true, man. Every day you think that it's
that one and I have no manners. How you sleep last night?
comfy.
Comfortable?
Just me and Kalani alone sleep.
We could have seen that in the video. You don't need to. So are you dressed like this, miss?
Me I run up in a full black. I style and pattern, you don't know that?
Me always say that this a chain. Why make you always wear? Make you not dash away.
No. This a chain I don't compare that I wash. It just every time I shoot something in this, jam pull over.
If you're right, somebody ever here, then cuss out your blouse and
I know say some people may agree and wonder.
no, they know, just you don't know why I always have one. You want to know why I always have one?
How?
Like you notice me so, man.
I don't like it too much. I know, man. If I check...
You like one girl pull over?
Yeah.
Like one girl pull over?
Batman.
I'm not really preying because I say maybe just feel chilly.
Fronzy. How you acting a go on? And guys, enough worry when no girlfriend come here.
Stop telling them that because I like say, look, put it on me. Me and him then no business. My man know that.
But you're not my type either. You're not my type either. So come, miss. You have to show where you ganja though. Then I'm going to take you serious if Nancy. Come, talk to it.
Much time, but not easy, boy. Now go take me serious. But not easy.
You know Jamaican people stay.
Oh, them stay.
You say we don't have weed in your hand, you say
So what happened?
Yeah, babe, I'm tired.
A weed a man in people, I say. A weed a day, a weed a man in people. A weed.
Yo, wipe off the camera.
Right, this.
So where for your split there?
I don't smoke. And I can't.
Where for your split there?
I don't
First one done
smoke.
Come interview me.
Where your split there, editor? Don't smoke.
You know how I feel about that? You
Talk
tell
to
them
it.
And I smurf them.
Talk to you.
Trolls.
Hey people,
Trolls, they come up now, trolls ugly.
love you.
Smurf better.
What else?
I'm a porridge.
I'm probably today I think you.
I'm porridge. I notice you hot for me, you know. You. Me and you now go agree. You.
You see anything on the use?
Wash your hands.
Don't talk, you know, brother.
Share up my porridge.
Come back home, cook on a dirty kitchen in a bad man. Alright.
So, Lana, alternate share porridge.
Oh, well, you say I don't have plate with courage already.
Me and I go agree. You have to go left here. You have to go left
You
here.
say that's no problem. You mind the courage, but no.
Don't listen to me.
I'm not burn him with the porridge. Burn him with it.
Don't listen to me, here.
Thanks very much. Here. Thank you. Excuse me.
Put sugar and milk in there if you want.
No, sweet too. My man already sweet. I'm sweet too.
Watch him too. Are you alone or somebody? Watch him. What friend you so?
And yesterday relationship start, that's why she sounds so young. She okay if the man will love normal girl.
Morning again. Yes, kind of weird. Kind of jump from the first day to the second day. But the thing is, really difficult to keep up with Richard Brown, Curious, all the actors and everything together. Really difficult, like to catch everything throughout the entire day. So what I'm gonna do on the second day, because I'm not supposed to, you guys are supposed to be getting a movie today. Not 100% sure, but you guys are supposed to be getting a movie. A movie should be uploaded on the channel today, which is the second day of the lockdown. So yes, First day, as you guys would have seen, you know, the waking up, all of that, and then the shooting started. We did some shooting over by the golf course. Richie did go live during the golf course session. What else happened yesterday? Basically just shooting everybody, like even myself was, you know, a part of the, you know, shooting, run down bike and all them kind of something. They shoot from the back of the Voxes. So it's just everybody I try put in them 2 cents to make the end product as entertaining as possible, and we are trying to do it as fast as possible. You get me? So yeah, so the second day of the lockdown. How lockdown I treat, you know. I mean, we have fun, we're having fun here. So when I wake up before everybody this morning, couldn't manage to wake up before everybody, but guess who is still sleeping? So no, do the early morning scene, I know. Nothing can have early morning scene today, I know.
They tell me to only sleep out of here, you know. Out of face.
So I'm not gonna start tired. No work hard yesterday?
If you up and down and change the often.
Okay, so on the up and I'm gonna change often. And I'm gonna left now. But I'm not sorry for that one, I do. Figure.
Yeah, see, so me if you were with yam. You were with yam.
No, you're not nice, like I'm doing business, yes.
But when the food cook your business.
Achim.
Right, every morning, literally every morning him come in here with one camera. You know what I'm saying about the camera, you know?
Second morning. Whew. What a lockdown that was, eh? Quite the lockdown. So, morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if this is your first time. I'm in Negril. I have been for the entirety of the lockdown. For all the persons who are just tuning in, persons who have been here for, you guys know, you've seen the videos. So, spent the entirety of my lockdown in Negril shooting with Richard Brown Films. And if I were to summarize this with one word, I would say the experience was amazing. No, it really was. It was quite the experience. I mean, used to be a police officer. I've had some amazing experiences where that is concerned, but this, it's really unique. And you guys have seen the videos, but it was, I think it pales in comparison. It pales in comparison when you're actually here. And trust me, to have you understand before I begin to elaborate, this won't be a long video, guys. And oh, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. The channel is at 1,000 subscribers and we did that all together. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Growth. So yes, I'm saying it's amazing, you know, seeing different personalities come together, persons cooperating and creating content we can all enjoy and appreciate and learn from, and being let into the world of those persons who come together and create all of that. Because in the videos you guys see me talking to, you know, these aspiring actors. We find out how the link between them and Richard Brown came to be, you know, where the passion is coming from. And for me, I don't know about anyone else, but I always find that amazing, you know, talking to people, learning about them by way of, you know, having them share their worlds with you. Because that's what life is about, not true? About living. So it's something that is growing. We're growing over here because earlier this January we're at 100 subscribers. Now we're at 1,000. It's the same thing with Richard Brown Films. The entire movement, you know, everyone is leaving now, so everyone is getting their stuff together to leave now. The lockdown ended yesterday, so everyone is getting their things together so they can leave and go and sort out what they must sort out. And honestly, I feel one bit of nostalgia right now. I miss them because it's nice, guys. You've seen the videos, the experience of persons waking up in the morning, eating, all of that. It is just so amazing. You develop one kind of bond, and it happens so seamless, you know. So yeah, one little bit of nostalgia to them. I miss them. So yes, as I was saying, it's growth. So we're going to have new persons coming in. More behind the scenes, more movies, because me talk to Fire-Ras and it don't look like somebody will run out of movie ideas them anytime soon.
Don't say I go. See a yard there, so you catch me come and look around, yeah. Yes, it's 40%. I think I just say that, I mean, after if you look at it, what we're going to do, we'll put it and then we'll try to figure out who the shoot after the scene. So if you go do where you go to sit there, you put money, you put in your card.
And definitely, you can definitely count on me to be here and capture the things, because I don't really capture nothing, you know. If you guys know, when I used to shoot weddings and I catch the real candid moments, I don't catch nothing yet, man. I don't catch nothing yet. And you guys know, with growth, you know them say practice makes perfect, and not really perfect. Practice makes better. So over time, you guys will follow along and you will see, over time this thing will get better. So the movies will get better, the actors, the actresses will get better, the whole system will get better, and this whole movie industry that you guys hear Richard Brown always talking about, that will also get better. So definitely stay tuned, because yours truly, Mr. Lawrence, I got there to capture the growth. We're going to capture the growth. You guys can be entertained, you can share your opinion, and we can learn and grow from that. The live videos, so definitely make sure you click the notification bell when you subscribe, so you get a notification all the time when we go live. And also, as soon as new videos are released, you guys will see them. So definitely hit the notification bell. I don't know if I mentioned it a while ago or earlier, but my passion for video filmmaking and all of that, it will also get better. So yo, everything will get better. I don't know if you just stay tuned, like the videos, subscribe, share, everything, all the things and for make the algorithm like this thing over here. But all in all, to sum up everything, it's amazing. And you know, I just look forward to everything. So that was my lockdown in a nutshell. You can share with me in the comment section what yours was like. But mine was spent shooting videos with Richard Brown in Negril, Nampwell, and it was quite the experience. I learned a lot, I enjoyed myself, and it was amazing. So you guys, I don't know if you know, so I'm a part of that as well, because contribution make this thing possible where persons can come here, we have food to eat, we have resources what we need to make the movies, although we need more, but thank God for what we have now. So una part of it, that's basically what I say, a big part of it, so don't feel left out. So yeah, not a long video. Thank you for your 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for coming along with this journey that is going to continue, and thank you for your continued support. Yeah, so shall see you know, if I can go talk to some people. This is not where the video ends, but if nobody don't really want to talk and me go down, then this is where the video ends. So big up on yourself, thanks for tuning in. A little more.
Brother already know what going on in Rasta.
Your brother sauce soap, man.
How that girl go say? Rasta, you don't know what you do. You don't know what you do.
Make it 1 second and I'm Bro. So, today was last day lockdown or lockdown lift up today?
Lockdown lift up.
So, is no stars like you're still tired, Papa?
No, I'm not tired. I don't know anything very early wake up. So
everybody I go back at the inbound today. Everybody I go back at the inbound today. I come over here so funny.
Yeah man, so everybody at home this evening. So I'll just try to finish up and grill up or grill up. In terms of things that we shoot over a weekend.
So, our first time this year general, like, everybody I come together over a weekend,
No,
block
I
someone place.
second time this one.
I second time.
Never find what you always say. I second time, man.
So, editor, sir,
Just wait.
your first time experience this? You look like you're not ready to get yard it.
Yes, sir. More work if you do.
You look like you're gonna do this even if I'm not lockdown.
Yeah.
Never do some work, man. I work every morning. Never find a shot down in the system.
So, for the rest, from we have vlog, you know, in a chat here, you know, my boss.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, you know what I mean? But I want the top set spin my man as a writer, you know? And bag of things go on, let's try to get that thing done because if you launch the next channel now, Jammy Wood, you see? So a bag of things, so we have enough work for this. Man, you know, not yet, man, a bag of things go on.
So, you want a summary of lockdown. If you were to describe the lockdown, and you work and a film over the whole lockdown, what the experience like? Just describe that for me.
Well, I know still lockdown, you know. Babylon system pop down, but I know lockdown. I did free like a bird long time, I never choose to go nowhere.
Yeah, alright,
Because
Cooper.
before lockdown, I never know where said we. I don't choose to go nowhere.
Lockdown, no difference.
Alright, Cooper. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. So, I'm still in Negril, Nampril. Nampril, not Nampwell. That's what I used to say before I knew the correct thing. So, it's Nampril, Negril. I'm still in Negril, still filming with Richard, still filming with Curious, still doing the passion. So, before we get into what this video is about, the last time we spoke was on the first day of the second lockdown when we ran into that snake. And because of you guys, I am now learning that that snake is not poisonous. However, this is how my perspective works when it comes on to snakes and reptiles. First thing that comes to my mind, Adam and Eve and the apple. So I don't have any kind of positive perspective when it comes on to reptiles. I'm not exactly sure what happened to the snake, but my guess is that they ate that snake because as soon as they got it out of the tree and I got some photos, it was on to shooting that music video. So also in that last video, or the last time we spoke, I remember telling you that Richard Brown and Curious and the team, they were starting this movie surrounded around love. So I'm editing scenes to that movie, so trying to finish it up as soon as possible so you guys can have that to be entertained by. And yeah, you guys met the new actress Carlanda, Tori, Shan, and if this is your first time, you can definitely go and check out those videos. So yeah, we did some work over the weekend shooting that movie surrounded around love. The whole us being together in one environment, me learning about people and relearning about myself where being social is concerned. Because I know that kind of can get messed up when you're a police, or you know, being an ex-police, that can get messed up. So it's fun, it's exciting. As me tell you, I'm here for it and I'm here to take you guys along. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to now meet a new personality. His art form is focused more on music. So, yep. So that's that. I'm going to show you guys some clips of what was happening over that second lockdown. Yep, but before we talk to Mr. Musician, I don't know how we do. We have to get some visuals. So let's get some visuals, talk to this musician, and then look at some clips of what took place over the second lockdown. It look like Mr. Holness I make this in our every week thing. Lockdown the country every week. Big up yourself, Mr. Wholeness. I hope you're up on the video too. Check out the visuals. Visuals. So, yeah people, this is the musician, this is a theme art form. I'm gonna make him introduce himself. But before him do that, me know a whole heap of single woman out there. And enough of them goodly see you right now and I say, I wonder if I youth are single. So may I make you answer that question? Tell them.
I plead the fifth.
Alright, fair enough, my boss. So, just tell them like about yourself and what you do.
My name is Kemar, and my artist name is Public Report. Public with a K, you know what I mean? I'm a singer, you know what I mean, songwriter, music, you know what I mean, the whole works, but music is my number one, you know what I mean?
How long you do music?
Been doing it all my life, you know, because I'm born in music, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, professionally speaking...
First love, music first love.
First love is the deepest, eh?
You remember when we shoot the music video down at, what place name we shoot the music?
Cave, was it Cave? Cave, yeah, I think it was Cave.
What the name of that song they were do again?
Fix You.
Fix You.
Fix You.
Fix You. So we can show them one little piece of the Fix You.
Yeah, man. Right. When you try your best, but you don't succeed. When you get what you want, but not what you need. When you feel so tired, but you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse. When the tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace. When you find that thing what it won't replace. You know that it...
Alright, thank you my boss. Yeah. Thank you. So guys, as you know, I be an artist there. An artist no mean singers alone.
Yeah.
You understand we have actors, actresses, camera persons, editors, all art, all artists, expression, you see me?
That's how you go people. Don't subscribe to my boss page, you know? I always say no for me. No.
So, I say video done. Nothing else you want to tell about music?
Right now I just want to introduce myself in a different way where, you know what I mean, this is me, this is what I do, and I'm coming at you with my comfort music, you know what I mean? I guess what? A lot of people do music where, you know, them can't relate to it. You have to can relate to my music. Alright?
So, how long you say I do it again?
Professionally, let me say 7 years, professionally, but I'm born and raised in music.
So you must have a ton load of music out there?
I mean, have, a whole heap of tune, you know what I mean?
So, which man am I going to find them, my boss?
You know what I mean? I'd say Public with a K, you know what I mean? And it's Public Report. For your type of Public Report, YouTube, Spotify, you know what I mean?
Also, you have things on iTunes
and all of that. Yeah, man. Hey, just make them type it right now, check, right now.
Alright, my boss. So, what about the acting? And I can't give you a piece of acting.
You know what I mean? Because Richard Brown, trust me, he's been doing a great work right now. Whole heap of things I put in, so I can act, you know.
Yeah. Before you act, this is like how you
Tell them say we ready, clip them on the cut she load. She don't know say we no regular. Anything we ready for, bet you never know. Bet you never know. Nah go take no talk, I beg no pardon, that's for sure.
Oh, I hear some persons saying, why are they starting so many movies at the same time? So what I realize is that how they shoot movies, because of the lack of resources, how they shoot movies is if they're at point A and the resources are here for a movie where they don't have to, be stressing out themselves to get funding for shooting or for feeding actors and all of that. If they have the resources at hand, they will start that movie because they have a whole lot of movies, guys. So it's like if they're at a point where they can, use the resources or they have the resources, they'll start that movie and have a part of the movie already shot, and so when they're able to shoot the entire thing, that's what happens. So yes, that's why they are always starting a new movie, but one step at a time. As soon as it gets better, then the process will be more efficient, and I'm sure you guys will get more content. So yeah. Charge you for them.
Me and pray the fact that the two of them me and the first part. And then so we come back and play. The kick off and I'm there. But the one that we pass now, and then the head pass is straight down to that pedal. And then we go like in a messing around.
Just love your people.
Love.
Like a housewife.
I love video you.
Right. Right.
Everyone if I eat beside, what?
I'm nobody coming to order. I'm again none. So don't follow him, guys. I'm preparing fritters. That's how you pronounce.
Curry what?
A fritter.
A curry dumpling.
Aplitas.
The word is fritters. Fritters. Fritters, I don't know. I love fritters. I don't know curry dumpling.
Nice girl, you know. Understand herself though.
You just want to take care of them.
You can't take care of yourself.
You can't take care of me too. Why not?
You learn from your mistakes. So answer them, I'm not even read the question now. I think I said just put them in a Word document, let me think of them.
Power by this thing for touch the road. Tell them say we ready, clip them on the cut she load. She don't know say we no regular. Anything we ready for, bet you never know. Bet you never know. Nah, but take no talk, I beg no pardon, that's for sure. Bet you never know. Bet you never know.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Wanna go on with people? Big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if this is your first time. My name is Akin. Welcome. So I'm in Negril. This is the golf course. Have to be constantly checking this place because snakes. In my humble opinion, snake infested area. I ran into another snake, guys, yesterday, I believe, but I was without the camera, so couldn't get any clips to show you. So, yeah, not too worried though about the snakes because I'm learning that snakes from Jamaica aren't poisonous. So, not too worried, but still have to be checking. Yes, the last time we spoke was when I was telling you guys about Richard Brown, Fire Ras, the whole team making a movie surrounded around love. Well, the Rastaman perspective on love, what he sees love to be in the form of a movie. So, yes, so from then till now, it's the same thing. Filming, editing, trying to get out work, entertaining work, so you guys can be entertained by that. So from then until now, that is what has been happening. If you guys haven't seen that movie, Three Sisters, it's on Jamiewood. Definitely go over there and check it out. I will put a link in the description. Definitely go over there and check it out. Big up yourself, Miss, what's your name again? Chantal Wilson, Bieber, a thiefing sister. Big up yourself. So definitely go over there and check out that video. Well, that movie. What we're doing in this video is we're going to get some behind the scenes, different kind of behind the scenes in this time around, guys, because we're going to try and catch the candid ones. So the little mistakes, the little probably disagreements, nothing outrageous that does not belong on the internet, but you know, human side of people that can always be forgiven. So yes, we're going to get some candid behind the scenes, but before we do that, we're going to speak to Honey's mommy. You don't know who is Honey's mommy? Monique. Monique, can you?
Yannick.
You haven't seen that movie? Where is Honey? Definitely, I'm going to put a link. Richard Brown's channel. Definitely go over there and check out that movie. Where is Honey? It's amazing. That's all I can say. Definitely go over there and check it out. So, in relation to that movie, I spoke to her mother, Honey's mom. So, found out how she met Curious, how she met Richard Brown, got into making movies, Jamaican movies and all of that. So, caught up with her, did a little video. I'm going to share it with you guys. And then we jump right into the candid behind the scenes. So, yep. And if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Thank you very much. And leave a like on the video. So, yep. We're going to see Honey's mommy. But before that, get some visuals, see Honey's mommy, and then we get into the BTS. So, talking to beautiful people again. I know it's been a while, but we kind of short our resources. That's why I'm not upload as often. One camera we're down to, so yeah. But fortunately, I make that get another way. Miss Monique.
Yannick.
Monique, can you?
Yannick.
It's a good thing, sir. No? It's a good thing, sir. Yeah, tell a little bit about yourself, Miss Yannick. From?
Originally from Manchester. I grew up in Betheltown and I'm now living in Negril. Well, I know Fire from a long time. I used to buy a movie from him, and a couple years ago he asked me if I want to come in a movie and I said no. So, because I never know when I'm there, and I did kind of afraid. I ran into him a couple months ago and he asked me again and I said yes, but I never come nowhere. So last month, no, in February, I'm on YouTube, I watch the video them and I say, them look good, content and everything good, so I say, no, so I never call up Fire, but I never have your number, so I link Popeye, and then, you know, Popeye give me your number and I call him, and that's that. So,
right. You're a little afraid, we understand. You're a woman, them not treat the woman them right, you did have a right to be afraid. So, acting. Was it always a passion, something you always want to do?
Kind of.
So you get support?
Yeah.
Family
From my family and my friends.
What them say?
Even today, me dey home and my cousin texts me and I say, yo fam, you know, I'm going to one bar and see them and watch some Jamaican movie, and then me glimpse you and me I tell them say, yo, my family that you know, and them I say, no so I lie. So I'm show them my mother picture and then me. So family wise, yeah, me get the support, friend love me same way. Yeah, me feel nice because when I'm there serve and me and my mask and my eyeglass and this guy said to me, say, yo mama, I love your movie them, you know. So yeah, me kind of feel good about it. Definitely. It's a good look. Yeah, me like, so when I watch my movie them, let me just feel proud of myself. You know, me know say there's room for growth. So once me there on fire and the rest of the team, yeah, I elevate myself. So that's that.
Miss Annie, if you have to sing Larry out, because you're nice, you have to sing Larry out and put her alone. Yeah. Yes, so hold on, let me clean off his lens. So yeah guys, that's Honey's mommy, or the young lady that played Honey's mom. The environment looks different, yes, because hours passed since I left you guys to watch that video. It was raining. I went into Negril Town to get some shirts, plain white shirts, because that's the only thing I really wear. So first behind the scenes is happening over here, so we're going to sneak in, take a peek and see what's happening. So let's do that.
Well, see the account number here, 604-143160. Please remember, every mickle make a muckle. Alright, thank you very much, Trudy. And again, if anyone knows the whereabouts of Mr. Chubby, we're appealing to you to come and assist your baby mama. She needs your help. Me not done.
Okay, I am Christian.
Me not done.
Remember I said Chubby no know say she pregnant, you know. You remember?
You know now?
Yeah, no man know, yeah.
Alright. And again, thank you for tuning into Jammy TV. I am your host, Tracy and Blair. Have a blessed evening.
So, you know, say wait a moment, let's listen to. You know, I'm going to come on TV, alright. You said you want it.
MP, when we go on
You don't take him mic and say no, I'm walking on TV.
Yeah, thank you, mommy, for coming interview me. No, I'm walking on TV.
And the MP, I'm big $1,000. I know me can't see that for when.
No, let the MP alone. No, let the MP alone. I know she walk on TV a long time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for tuning into Jamigo TV. I am your host. Wait, mom, I have something to say. Well, thanks me for coming on TV, you know, a long time. I come up here, you know. Hi, Jamaica.
Up here, you know, we walk up on TV. Yeah, that day, as she come to you.
Yeah, that day.
You
walk up on TV.
You have to start all over?
No, that's the last one. I am Tracy and Blair. Make sure you
I
say
am
first.
Tracy and grab the mic. I am Tracy and Blair. So, wait a minute. I am Tracy and Blair. No, you have to look like you're Johnny Mike.
Wait again. Action.
I am Tracy and Blair. Well, thanks for interviewing me. You know, long walk up on TV. Thank you very much, Rudy. I'm the hostess. I'm your hostess with the mostess. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Must profile.
Alright, ready.
Profile.
I think no. Alright, no, Popeye, come on here. Popeye, come
So she done from up in a line though.
The next scene I know Popeye will come with.
Oh, we're for doing part with you in the interview.
Where did you audio some?
Not yet.
So subconscious
We have 2 more shots to do video. We have to hurry up. We have 2 more shots with you. We have to run go up so where bad road there and make a talk about the bad road. And she talk about you. I want to talk about you with bad too.
Hello, Miss Newscaster.
the hostess with the mostess.
Alright. Papa, you ready?
I see them, man. Pass that shit them. Oh God. Look why there. Pass that shit them now. Alright.
We're coming to quarter food.
Sir, do I have to walk with the mic?
No, just hold it for me.
Can you watch it, bro?
Yeah, but I don't
So, Mr. Brown, quick, because I'm catching you behind the scenes late. So tell me what did I go in another room now?
Oh, well, you don't know we have to depict anything we showcase sufferation, so this is a part of it where homeless, well, don't say homeless, well, you know what you want to
A
call it.
person who's in need then.
Yeah, somebody who is in need
Or facing financial
see a look help from the government, so we just use like our TV station to depict that, you see me? Yeah.
So give me one little in as to what the entire movie about. I'm not asking much, just one little bit as to.
Well, just a showcase all form of sufferation in Jamaica, you know what I say, in terms of to showcase say, oh, we know a war here, you see me? Yeah. I said the movie name curious? War here, yeah.
And comedic fashion, right?
No man, serious.
Serious?
Serious something.
Right.
Ready now? We don't know Jamaicans ever take anything coming. Papa, I just get your comedian.
Alright, so you heard Mr. Brown, you saw the environment. We didn't get much, but we have a little bit of idea as to, you know, what the movie is talking about. So it's placing some emphasis on poverty. But beside the point, you guys should definitely subscribe, and I'm saying this about the millionth time now. Go over there, check out Richard Brown channel, subscribe to all the stuff, and jam with as well. But did you guys realize the amount of persons that are in the room? That's teamwork right there, guys, and it's amazing. That's all I can say. It's amazing. So we're going to go back, see if we can get somewhere behind the scenes, and yeah, as I said, get to behind the scenes, see what's going on with this. So, I don't know my love woman, guys. So I'm going to take one next one of them. See her here. She going to tell you a little bit about what's going on in this. I'll do over here from Mr. Brown. She going to tell you a little bit about what's going on. What did I do in this hour? Like I miss. First, what is your name?
I am Everly.
And Everly, you're an actress?
I am one of their actresses, yes.
So how long have you been a part of this?
Not very long. I cannot put my finger. I cannot tell you how long, but not very long.
So Mr. Brown tell us poverty and all of that are going in that scene a while ago. But you tell me a little bit about it. What was happening with you?
Alright, so what I was doing in brief, I was interviewing the young lady in regards to her situation and her financial constraints, hoping that Jamaica would tend an ear to her situation and provide her with some assistance. So it's about poverty, and it's about what we face as a people on a day-to-day basis.
Jah Rastafari. So, don't ask me, I don't know if she's single, I don't know if she have a man, I don't know nothing about that. But when you hear what she's doing this, so I could go in again and get some more behind the scenes. Thank you, Miss Everly.
You're most welcome.
Only 2 mango reply to myself.
I give one nice meal if you have the way so. So I can like me bigger one.
That's why you have a big belly in front of you, look too much big things.
No,
can't laugh,
no,
can't laugh. Come on. Can't laugh.
Sorry, just put that shop on, no problem. Alright, where got you closing? Can we have a close the scene? Where close the scene?
Give me mango.
Yes. Alright, Popeye. Give her back your mango and then wish her all the best and then left her. Ain't it? And action.
Yeah, alright. Now we're you know, so I wish you all the best and somebody else must have come help with MTL, see me?
Why you mean do look on the mango?
Jesus Christ, Chunk. The man came and hold box of food come here and tell the man say mean. No, if you thank the man for carry come here. Slum back now. Slum back. I mean no way man. Come not come box and walk with. Don't buy the mango.
I don't know alright.
Give back the mango. Give back the mango.
Buy the mango already.
No, give him back.
Give me big one back cover. I don't buy this.
Popeye, give big one over.
No, we said to come.
Chunk get. Yeah, me too. Yeah, man, ready, action.
Alright, We will see again, and somebody else must have come and help you soon. You know?
Now make you stay so. Make you give me the class mango tie back, and that's me I get them back.
$10 with the one mango you get.
No, Papa, I'm not going to eat back over. You just give girl food and tap over your box.
You're ready for YouTube, dog.
Come back again, man. Sure. Alright, give back your mango, Chang.
He don't bite it, so just catch it for
you. Two shot, give back your mango.
Papa, I don't touch part of my feel.
No.
Give me big one.
Just put in your hand and make him stretch again.
Just me big one.
No, just make him pretend like he's here. Me tell you, and you start. And hold on. And action.
Yeah. Alright, yeah. You see again, somebody must help you.
Say I tell him say can 2 mango come and look at me and give me the request one.
I should have said that you get mango and goods.
Thanks for you good. Remember I don't have no stove and no toilet.
Somebody with your one.
Alright, check me back.
So come on, disgusting baby.
Oh my god, she sounds so ghetto.
Alright, good. Curious will come next, right?
Yeah, right.
Call Curious.
Let's go, Papa. Should I give me big mango?
So, Mr. Brown, why you tell me, Zane, because me want to learn, what are some of the difficulties you face when you film like this? Is noise a problem? Tell me.
I really face no difficulty because I kind of get used to the whole environment and the whole shooting aspect of movie and all. So, I 1, 2, 3, man. I think the most difficult part sometimes I just say nice. I live at Jamaica and Jamaica nice is bad, you know, man. When somebody play music or somebody chat, a bike a pass. So I think that's the only difficulty.
Alright, but most importantly, you enjoy yourself, right?
As always.
Wonderful.
Call Curious! That Chang look like uncomfortable. I'm going to make a movie in Chang.
What are young boy with the kimo bro?
Eh?
What are young boy with the kimo bro here?
Where's the taking up with the belly, that's all?
Yeah, young boy them.
Hey, that Chang. What are young boy will take you up with the belly around with you?
Oh gosh, man.
Ready? Are you coming? Popeye! Popeye! Popeye!
Don't hear me, man, this thing.
Yeah, see you man, primary.
I'm just going to check out. You know what I mean? As I walk on.
You cannot come here.
No, I'm going to carry the newspaper. To move it to the scene.
Oh, you carry newspaper?
I'm going to carry the news team. I'm going to carry everybody.
So, Papa, you don't give me no money.
You don't get no money yet?
No.
Alright, later I'm going to give you money.
No, at least you have to at least stick me and say new scene.
First he has a slipper.
High five. Ready?
Alright, so I'm just going to picture in a scene. Now I'm going to make you walk in. Alright, so Curious, I'm just going to picture say first 2 sentences and walk in. Hold on.
Then you walk in?
Yeah, let me go in closer.
You can actually sit up, you know, because I see him there.
Sit down, no chance.
Sit down up and take over, Issa.
I am a lazy pregnant man. Sit down.
She's pregnant, leave her alone.
Sit down.
Sit down, no chance.
Where's the bus there?
Oh, you want to that close show?
No, I can't show because I know me I can't let it come. I tell you, you never link.
So I see him close. Papa, you want to. All I have got me, I see him there.
I see him close there,
yes, it's one close, channel.
No, but that's why I tell she to cover him. I want to cover him.
She never cover it close.
Let me tell him
But
cover
the
him.
blood just show up slightly, it's not alright.
Yes, I mean I said, but no.
Good, yeah.
I don't want first but me come over.
No. You work so I saw the job. I don't know what happened.
Just 2 in the movie.
Probably under the box. Nope, nope.
Under the box.
So for us, one question. After this scene. What do we do after this? Are we doing any other scenes apart from this one?
No, done here now.
Okay.
Carry out the movie.
So guys, as you would have heard, Curious himself, Fire us, them a finish up. That's the last scene. Bike nice. As you would hear Mr. Brown say as well, Jamaica this and nice. So nice always there somewhere cause some kind of distraction or disturbance or whatnot. But you know, don't have to work with the thing. So yes, as you would hear Curious, Fire us, them a finish up. That's the last scene. So we talk to Mr. Brown, we talk to one of the actress, what's her name again? Everly. So she basically said the same thing that Mr. Brown said, and again, make sure, I think I tell them to subscribe to Richard Brown more than how I tell them to subscribe to this channel. So yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on the video, and you know, definitely stay tuned for more of this. And of course, we do other videos where we go out and interview business places, you know, find out where the business is coming from, how the individual started the business from ground up. So yes, definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that. Not going to give it away, but we might go to Lunacy Inn and interview that retired. What's her occupation again? Physician, retired physician. So definitely stay tuned. I might get a me just I gotta start shooting right now. Wagwan people, big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. This morning named Fast Morning. So the reason why I name Fast Morning is because everything we do it fast and we snap fingers and we do it. So snap.
Oh Lord, God, me stopping.
Big up ding dong. First thing we come out here with the camera, we're gonna take one little photo for Instagram. Boom, we get one photo. Boom, show that up on Instagram. The aim of it is to get better at it. Boom, we're going to Jamwood City. Boom, tag some people. Boom, jump in one short film. Boom, like. Boom, share. Boom, subscribe. Fast man.
Double it.
So, yes, quick morning as me tell Fast Man. So we are doing this fast. But where am I?
You're at Red Ground.
Alright, I'm at Red Ground with the Tank Hill with the lovely Everly. And them just showed one scene to one movie what them are do. I want to know what go on. Tell what go on.
Alright, so the title is what title again?
No, cut. No, we roll it up there. Tell them we roll it.
Help if you can.
Me again? Ready again?
Post this?
Yes, no, you had to call it one different name.
News report.
Alright, that's right. You want to do this over?
No, continue, pick up.
So in the film, I am the hostess. We're doing a reality series with Jamwood TV. And I will be interviewing, I interviewed a young lady.
It's a traditional thing, so at this point of the video, you know, so you're supposed to click like anytime on nice intro. So, you're the news hostess and...
Yes, I was interviewing a young lady regarding her situation. She's been facing financial constraints and she's pleading to the public for help. So I'm just there as the interviewer with her, the interviewee. That's it.
Cool. So, next thing again, I know it's the first role you're playing a Richard Brown film, Jamwood. So, since you've been doing that, what has changed in your life as a result of you doing that?
My confidence, that's it.
People not seeing at the road and like, oh, are you sip on the TV?
Oh yeah, I get that.
Yeah guys, so as me say, we are come talk to somebody from Jamwood Richard Brown Films. We do that Fast Morning, so we are move on now into the before we go into blows and skirt, watch you know? I want to tell you to the young lady, you know, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grace us with some of that talent there. And we're going to put in that section of the video and make them hear. I want to lend some opinions where that is concerned. See me? So, we will get it, right? What the topic about the board?
I don't know. All my poems, they're not in my mind.
The channel is a Fast Morning video, so we are move fast. We find out what you do quick. We find out what your talent is quick. And I give you a sample and tell them quick. But we're not pressure right now, we just want to know, so you give it, so I just put in it and it just seems quick. So yeah, what the title going to be about?
I don't know.
Anyways, we're not telling no, but it's going to be bad. We're going to listen to our thing and then we go straight into the short film. Miss Everly, thank you again. Yeah, it looks done.
Beautiful woman, why do you cry? If he can't love you the right way, then it's time to say goodbye. You see, we were meant to be loved and cherished. May every self-degrading thought you have about yourself perish. You're more than the Brazilian hair and the fancy clothes you wear. You're more than the expensive car you drive. Don't be captivated by the devil's lies. You are beautifully and wonderfully made, perfected in God's image and carefully given a shade. You're more than the numbers on the scale. I don't care if you're fat, thick, or slim. My true intention is to see you win. I don't care if you're single or not. You're a bubbling volcano. You're hot. Don't lower your standards and don't give up on yourself. Do not give yourself less than what you truly deserve. And if anything means you well, do not put it on reserve. I am praying for you. May you climb every wall and overcome every obstacle. May you find the love the way you love. May you see yourself for what you truly are. Strong, fierce, radical, and a shining star.
Yes, we can definitely walk and talk. So you guys just spoke with Everly. I think I might use her for the short film. I'm gonna get any of now.
Hi, Sunscene.
Sunscene.
Yes.
Alright, Sunscene. What I want to do for today is tell me how you link up with Richard Brown Films. That's the first question. And then the second question, how is it going so far? So I'm gonna give you the floor for yourself.
Alright, so how I got into the movie. My friend, yeah, we're close friends with you guys. Yeah, so them say, be nice, I'm just becoming a video actor. So, you know, see if I like it. Yeah, I like it. It's fun. And I enjoy myself so far.
Sandra, what you just shy with the camera turned on. So, alright, my next question I'm going to ask you. So, we find out how you link up with Mr. Brown. We find out so you enjoy the movies. Tell me about the role we have played so far in the movies.
Okay, so the role I play in a movie now, there was a new girl in a village. And Papa, I guess me, you know, like me and thing, but him tell me say I'm a chopper, which he's not. So, we get pregnant, find out say I'm a chopper, now keep it.
So, alright, now give them no more of the story. So, you're there with the man you feel like saying you have money. Well, your character, not you. So, yeah guys, we're going to see the beautiful sun scene. So yeah, and then we move straight in our short film. So we get some visuals and then move into the short film. I gotta start shooting right now.
Where you are going at night, yeah?
You talk about when me I go. And where you are go them time of hours you look so hot.
No, say don't me hard, me I go do.
Brownie, you know, it's a long time I like you.
You like me? So long it take to tell me that?
But I wouldn't mind could I know more about you, know? You go out and try to anywhere you want to go. Do some skydiving and thing you want, you see me? All for me, you know? Oh, you bite up your lip themselves like in a mood, man. What you say about that? I'm not telling lie, me enjoy it, you know.
Me too.
Wow, when I wish if we can see all that time, if you have a look comfortable, you know. How to do it in a very comfortable.
Yeah, come in never ready for done yet.
Alright, me have your number still. So me will call you, because I don't want to keep you out too late, so. Time already late, so. So, we'll link up, yeah?
Alright then.
Alright, no problem. I'm gonna go on the whole road tonight. Wow, what a night.
Look like she get the job done.
Hello?
Yeah, you deal with the thing?
Job done, man. Give boy one little piece. Right name is Gigi. I know a place stand at him one day too. Yeah. Yeah, man, tomorrow we can go dusty boy. I must send some pictures still. You can see the place state set up and thing, isn't it?
Good job, babe. So, one thing more I could do now is come by me. I'm not exactly at the house now, but I'm on my way there. Make sure you come soon.
Can't believe so rich left there to pay them in I sink. I'm the one tired to tell him about this, you know. And them no chat about me miserable. Watch out.
Gosh, let me take the boy and chill.
Yo, Roger.
Oh, you wicked, so man. You couldn't call me, man.
Yeah, man. You know, I was I text her, see you send that. Yeah, man, from the start, I text her, just like me, I say, yo, level up.
Yo, we have to go link up and celebrate for now.
Yeah, man, that's simple and cheap, man. We can link, man, but you know, say, no fitting could be right, so not to do it like that.
Yeah, man, alright. No call the brownie right now.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
What I not get is, oh, you make me do them something and I feel no way about it.
Because if you want me to feel that way, if you really want to find out about me, just do what you do for me now, for your next man, and so on.
Alright. So, babes, what I'm to with this man? Why him? Why? You know, we go through all of this. Why this man?
I'm not normal to do this, I understand, but I'm not really him. I understand. I'm of a virgin named Richie. My man, I really want to get rid of, but that of one next time. Huh?
Wow. There. I'm not going nowhere today.
No matter how many times I call this still, you know. Want to link up back.
Yeah. So we can meet up today then.
Yeah, man, I'll get a location.
Okay. Alright then. Just call me when you're ready.
Alright, that's it. Stay tuned, yeah? Okay, baby. Love you.
Yeah, go link up today.
So, you know the location?
You might go say it to me.
Alright. Boy, I could bring in Virgin, you know. Same one I tell about. Alright, tell her where you do. Link up with him. When I go up on the location, text me or call me, anything. Let me know what I'm going. I probably have to take out to you today.
Alright.
Alright, so just deal with that, alright?
Alright.
So, yes, my beautiful people, that has been it. We have arrived at the end of another video. Kindly, please, thank you. Leave a like on the video, subscribe if it's your first time over here and you're not yet subscribed. And Mr. Lawrence shall see you in another video. Little more. So, good evening. Evening, sir, right?
Yes, good evening.
Right,
or you could say good afternoon.
So people, Candy beat me for a long time to come do a video with her. So,
Right.
we are here doing a video now. I'm not tell her none of my question them, I'm going to ask her. She does not know what we are going to do in this video. But I'm going to make her know and she going to know right away, meaning say, like I want to just know, she just know. We want to know where Candy come from, the original Candy, not just the movie them. So, my first question is, how far back should I take it now? Tell me about younger days. Tell me about high school days. Which high school are you starting?
Younger days?
Yeah man, tell me about high
like
school.
Like when me used to eat dumpling and butter and them.
High school!
So, you want your mommy school first or warm when they eat? Which one?
Which high school are you starting?
Rashi's High School.
Rashi's?
Yes.
Most of be bad people got Rashi's.
Sometimes some we bad you know man and next time we go good.
So tell
but
me.
badness not pay still.
So
better you stay good.
So tell me about Rashi's school. What the experience like during that time?
Oh, a regular thing, regular class session. You go at like certain time. You go at that session. You have different teachers for every different subjects.
So you used to leave France? You used to leave Negril used to live them time?
No. Montego Bay.
So you used to live Montego Bay,
Yes.
left Montego Bay, go Rushes?
Yeah, because I'm a Montego now. How you feel like?
Oh, so grew up with mommy and daddy?
I don't.
John no star, one more person forward in that. So.
I don't grow up with my
We had to
mom
go on
and
the
my
two of them
dad.
one time. So the legendary Popeye, you don't know two of them from Richard Brown films. So,
There, sir.
no, hold on, come right to us, man. Oh. John no star, where you drink?
Handicap, you know.
Alright, here we go. Popeye, which high school you used to attend?
Little London.
Little London. So when you used to live on the girl when you got Little London High School?
Born and grew up.
London or England or London or Jamaica?
Me say, you see candy? You see
Yeah, but we have London and Jamaica too, and we have London and England. And which one of them you did go to school? Me want to know.
Me try help when you get to know them outside of the movies, guys. But see, right, it rough. So you used to attend Little London. You used to attend Rushies. So what was
Say
school
Russies
like?
and don't say
Rushies.
Rushies.
What was school like for you? Did
Oh.
the anxiety to have one whole heap of friends and trouble you?
No. Listen, nobody not trouble me at school.
Are you trouble people?
Me not trouble them, but just when me not have no lunch, my friend them used to have to give me lunch.
Oh, so I did that kind of something sometimes.
Yeah, because sometimes
Well, and
I-
are you spend out the money?
Remember, say me no grow with no father. But
Okay.
sometime me used to stay with my mother. Most of my time I was with my grand aunt. But you know, sometimes if me do nothing in the yard, they don't go and give you fear figure at school, they don't give you nothing to eat. But you know, see, that's the first time people kind of have like a wicked dish in them and like a good dish. But me forgive her still.
So you like acting for any time?
Long time before me did in my mother womb, she did conceive with me as an actor. As an actress, a matter of fact.
Alright, we should come back over to you.
Yes.
Popeye, talk to me now. How was school for you, high school?
Well, it was good.
They
But
not
me
trouble
did
you or
have-
nothing?
No, but me did have to make a choice.
Did you have girlfriend in high school?
You're not asking about primary?
Yeah.
Did you have girlfriend in high school?
I did have, you don't know the name, me did have 6 of them.
And you're not asking about primary?
No, you did have man in high school?
No, me couldn't do it. My
When-
grand aunt would have killed me with leak.
When you have your first boyfriend? Or man?
My first, me can't remember. A long time.
No, first time not forget so.
Yeah.
Your first. I don't want to ask you nothing about when I lose virginity, you know. when? Tell me about the first boyfriend. You have to remember, I can't.
Me can't remember. Me did want to do it and me never want to do it, but me still do it. And me want to do it and me shouldn't do it, but me do it still.
So apart from acting though, Candy, may I skip go? So we are moved from high school now, come back in our present
Yes,
life.
when
So,
time me used to do in grade 1, before me go to high school or primary, me used to pick up the dirty cheese street them and the dirty chewing gum them. Because they say me grand auntie wicked in and give me no lunch money that time now I'm bed.
I feel like Candy never ever yet come out a character yet.
No, you know, he make me pick up the dirty cheese
Candy is her character though.
Listen man. You see when the dirty chewing gum them, you see pitting them with them parents when have it and then eat the chewing gum them and dash it down and it on the road. You know once when the sun hot and it melty or it look like I say sugar in there and it's sweet. So me go pick up and eat it with the rock stone them in there and then it fresh.
When this a lie you tell me.
No, God up at heaven, me I call your name God because you know say I chew me attack and me pick up dirty dumpling at school because sometimes they don't give me no lunch money. I chew.
Rastafari. So we are get some in on the characters them here from Richard Brown films. So what I call it? What they call them kind of upbringing again? Modest upbringing or humble beginnings. So both characters don't understand. Hold on, Papa. I feel like a born with gold spoon in your mouth. Tell me about how did you always have lunch money and tell them something when you go to school?
Well, me did always have, yeah, me did always have, but me have to make a choice in a grade 9.
Kind of choice that?
It's either work or go to school, so I just work.
So when you decide you want to do acting, you know, or a long time? As a matter of fact, from when you are rich, them are brethren?
Long time. Before YouTube, before
you're born, just say before you're born.
Before we born.
See them, man, pay attention to
I'm talk to my audience.
Right.
I know rich them when they start the movie, but then the time I'm there behind the scene I watch, and I say, yo, I'm not going to. But then I say, you know, I want to be actor, so I go. And see there, look at me there now.
That's that. So, apart from acting, what else you do? We know what you do already.
Me know fire them long time, fry up a bakery and sell movie and one or something.
From when you know?
Then bread ground up a bakery and so all about.
Oh,
Then they all about.
So apart from
Long
acting,
time.
Papa do baking. Best cocoa bread them in a Negrils. Yo, right now they better than Juicy Beef, Cocoa Bread, them, you know.
Exactly.
I swear to you, I'm not even make this stuff. Which part the bakery located?
Sheffield.
Which part of
Right
Sheffield? Right
hand
at
church.
7-day Adventist. So you can't go over there and tip you out of focus. That's it. But anyhow, when I go and check out the Cocoa Bread, them, so apart from acting, Mr. Papa hard at work every day. Candy, you're an entrepreneur.
Yes, long
because
time.
You have a shop for yourself.
I say that because right now, me I look help and want somebody to help me.
Can I help you, man?
Me want help and want build something bigger in life to make all help some people who know how to.
I mean, I want to feel like it's a joke thing. Not because you see 100,000 views on the movie, them I feel like say, oh, millions are coming. And that's how you go. People there and them do this. They do this because they are passionate about it, and of course they want the money, but you know, whole heap. So when me hear Candy, I say she wants some help and all. What you want? Build up a shop or what?
I need help so I can do a little business for myself.
So you know have a shop?
No, that shop they brought down.
No, yeah, Candy, stop playing with me.
Me not play with you.
Why shop broke
When
down?
time me did, you know when my shop used to start, you can't see my shop pop down. So I
So pop down stage at there?
You pop down stage that, so you must know how we did stay from the beginning.
Yeah.
Very stuff, alright. So,
shop.
I don't know if people might hear and them want to lend some assistance with that concern.
Well, I would
we can do that.
appreciate a fit. Thank you very much. All who support me, thank you.
So, Papa, differently though, up at bakery there. How you like it though? How is it up there? Outside of the acting, I know you're passionate about. Up at the bakery, how is it? Tell me about that.
Really good. I tell them, it's worth it because I can bake. I can do Italian cooking.
You can bake too, you know.
They can do Italian cooking.
I can paint.
They can paint. Like
I
bakery
can
I
do
talk about.
plumbing.
Though. Bakery I talk about though.
Oh, bakery.
So you tell me about the bakery. So that's something you enjoy as well, eh?
I love that more than anything else.
More than the acting too?
Yeah. Baking is my...
Me love acting. My acting, me act all in my sleep when me sleep, me act too.
I respect acting, but baking is like my ball in a hit.
But I know Cocoa Brother, so you bake cake and them something
I
like
bake fruit cake, I bake marble cake, I bake banana bread, I bake pudding, I bake pizza, I bake anything you can get.
You never know all of them something, that's true. You never know.
I bake the best pizza.
So you do pizza too?
Yeah, better than... I don't want to call it name, I don't want to sue me.
Better than who? Pizza
But you don't know that's...
Yes, don't call anyone name.
No, that one name.
Caesar?
Yeah.
Okay. I never buy them. I never taste no pizza with you. You never do on pizza.
That bake you carry out here. Can they taste it already?
I want a little piece that did give me.
How it taste?
The piece when you give me, I want a little piece. You should have given me more. You can't give me them the little piece of pizza there and it tastes so good. You're too old to order.
Alright, so I don't know what else for questions. So I feel like the audience have a better understanding on the personality now. What high school was like. Because you know so that's one integral part of your personality. High school. That's when you start there around people whole heap and some real interaction start going. So you know so that part of your life is integral when it comes on to your personality. So you say how humble beginnings, string gum, pangong and all them kind of
yes,
stuff.
me pick up all the dirty cheese chips them, me have to eat them.
Papa, I did have gold spoon in my mouth.
I wasn't infant school like you know in a grade one. Yeah, me pick up a man. That's me hungry.
No, I never have gold spoon. I just have family that support me to school. But one thing though, my father.
Alright people, big up on yourself and thanks for tuning in again. So see it there.
We don't talk already?
You have more things that you want to say?
Then of course we look like we don't talk. We can't have talk. If we talk can't too much.
Alright, go say.
Akeem, talk. Listen to me now. Talk cannot too much. Talk can't too much, none talk. Because when you stop talk, somebody else talk. Talk can't too much.
Alright, we want to hear what you have to say now.
Listen to me now. I wouldn't mind you guys put out some donation to Akeem. He will give it to us because we need it to do some important stuff.
Candy. Me not receive
They
no
don't have my number and they know about
hold on, why Instagram?
Me not have none, me not have no phone. Me all want one phone. You can buy one phone for me, please?
Oh yeah, me forgot to can have one.
If me did have a phone, me get enough help long time, but I don't have a phone. So I need you guys to help me to buy a phone so I can have my own channel. I want to be some nice, good up fans for it. I want to know say
just contact be things for the channel, that's true.
Oh, you mean Candy? You don't know say Candy.
So if you don't want to see Candy start a YouTube channel and contact the things them phone, you make she know in the comments. Tell her in the comments, as you mean.
Yes.
So she said she want a phone, would I buy her one, but me can't afford it. My phone screen bust up right now. No, left it fall, we are street fall.
I make nice and make
Nah,
me
man,
attack.
I want to hear them. So, that's all. Anything else?
You don't talk already? How much
Papa,
minute gone?
ready? My time? Papa.
Well, thanks for the interview, guys, and hope you learn a lesson. No matter what in life, don't listen to what people say. Work towards it.
Anyway, it is my pleasure meeting you. This is Candy, actress from Richard Brown Flint. And all of us are teams. We work together. Excuse out of the... Okay, you know manners, you know.
Hey, pick up on yourself. Look more.
Bless up on yourself. I know me always love you, know. I love you guys so much. I mean, also don't love me too, you know, but me love you no more. Mwah. I'm out. I will make a press here and we
That's how we live.
Alright,
go and do the thing now.
Come here. Yeah, well, go on and know. See? Do you have money other day?
Who did that money?
When I know you're gonna help me buy no phone.
But me can't tell us I soon get a piece of food, man. Tell us I soon get a piece of food.
Tell me when you're ready, Akeem.
You're ready, man. A freestyle.
Oh, okay.
Freestyle. Where's the papa? Come in now. So I go on now, even.
Akeem, ask the questions. See we interviewer over there, so.
We done.
You're not chatting
interview. This is
what?
Team site.
No, team site, man.
Oh.
Akeem, something. You're outside and brighty.
Team site.
So,
we just are going freestyle.
Just talk
Alton, they don't know you have a chat in the Alton, they don't know nothing, you have a chat.
That
They
means
know
you
what
can't
going on
ask
with
one
them.
question. Nothing they know.
They know what going with me?
Yeah.
You're not dumb.
Oh, people. This is not candy. Look at my phone, people. It's not good. Right? It's not good. Look at it. It can't. Right, watch out, candy. I think it's a your phone, a full phone for me. Look on this. No. If me
See my phone, then if I'm no phone, I even somebody will give me one phone and give me this, I never want it.
Alright, so
I
see,
rather do it though.
see, but it's true because people can call me. Me just have to just have this and go on normal. People, me need a phone.
And you're going like that a phone too. You all you want one phone to move, man.
Me tell you, put this on my ears and it just a brr, 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 brr. On my ears, it just a press up by itself when I go on with itself. So people, remember to subscribe to that channel as a command for the man channel. Just subscribe and no matter with the foolishness. Subscribe. Because that's how in time you subscribe, people can see me more.
Right.
And can see yourself
So
more.
Alton, come chat about that, because I tricky people. Come. No, you're not really tricky, you know, you understand, but you're not going in personality. You understand? You're not entertaining. No, you can't come in, So Alton.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Richard Brown and our family, right?
Yeah, my cousin.
Alright, good. So, give me a little history. So, you must get about any and all these things.
Want history?
Yeah, give one history where you come from.
Alright, when we are doing forward from the left high school.
Which high school like?
Froome High School. Let's go Froome Technical in the house. Big up on yourself, you see me? So, from left high school, here, so, in mother, which is my aunt, Auntie Debbie, big up yourself.
Rest in peace.
Richard and Auntie Debbie. And them can go a wedding from start go a wedding and go on normal. Pretty girl, come here. You can pause.
The floor is yours. Have the floor, people.
You can pause. Say your name for the camera though. Come here. Come here. Alright, so she's shy. So yeah.
You can say when you little you used to cry.
I used to go to Froome Technical High School, Richard Brown and Diana Campbell. They're the one who made me into a photographer, videographer. Yeah. So from I left high school, so I start go wedding, go hotel, and then me. So I know so we in our business a long time. But official professionally start shoot movie. If you look up on one of me, I want an interview with Fire Us, you know. When the first movie he do named King Kush. King Kush, that was his first movie with Fire Us. We interviewed him about 8 or 9 years ago. He's on YouTube the same way. On different channel.
That was not the first movie.
What do you mean?
King Kush was not the first movie.
Which movie was the first movie?
One by One and Carelessness.
Alright, what are they in time? Another time period then we do that.
But King Kush, you know him them
time. Don't talk about that. You're going like a better looking at Richard through your animal cousin. Talk to people then.
No man, Richard and me and me.
And somewhere I know you're nice.
Far you come from.
Richard cuter than you.
I just...
You have candy. We don't want a bad man, man. Think. Hear me I say. Are the girls, man, this.
Anybody want to take it? One side of me move.
Watch out, my gun. Man, look.
Man,
look nobody.
Man alert.
So, yeah, from your start, shoot professionally and the acting and thing on YouTube and all of that.
me this camera shy. If you notice, I know me kind of talking the camera, you know. If you see it for true. A couple months ago.
You afraid?
No, me shy man overall. I'm a DJ and it's so sad. So sad, me so shy.
Yeah, some camera we buy people. Me not wrong, you afraid of them.
So Mr. Garden, how your life changed since you started acting or since the acting start successful? Oh, make sure you tell themselves on YouTube channel too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, alright. Tell you how this whole acting start. When you start seeing me now frequently.
No, but before that you used to act, no Joe?
Yeah, man, you see in a movie, man. I want by one minute. I police long time in a movie. I beat up boy long time most years ago. They tell them I did Lily and Fine, so.
Tell them.
Palm Beach, I beat up boy as police and a long time. But I know me really start the acting thing professionally. So I say, since here, February, more than time there. The time I'm really done it often, don't it? Yeah. Time I'm done it often. But a long time. Yeah, sorry about that, people. He's just one of our fans here in Jamwood City. So, you see me? I'm just saying well.
That about acting long time and beat up from school in St. Used to go.
He forgot everything so quick.
And that about the acting on Palm Beach and beat up boy as police and as recent now. Somebody asked you say how your life changed.
Oh yeah. So, the reason why I'm there so still do acting now is just got you a little relationship problem.
Hold on, them me blouse and skirt, it passa me like it. Hey, what you say? What you say a while ago? Talk again. Me never asked him nothing, him said, come, say it again, my boss. What you say?
Yeah.
Hold on, what you say? Repeat what you say a while ago.
Got you a little relationship problem, so.
Okay, so you have a broken heart and everything?
You pass through that stage already, man.
Okay.
Single now, isn't me?
Yes,
ladies.
You know what I want to ask me if you're single, man, I tell him say I have a girlfriend.
No, man. Which girlfriend? You give me girlfriend?
Me think, that me think, say this.
No, brother.
Oh, so you're single now?
Yeah.
So what kind of woman you like, me general?
I like women.
Oh, just every woman?
Just it. Women.
I love hold on
women.
now, I feel like a trouble that, you know. Hold on, I tell you and then you can probably rebut you can come in. Hold on now. If you like women, see, when you get one woman, the amount of competition where she have to deal with all this, you know, because like every woman
I feel love every woman.
You see me? So your type not too specific. Alright, go on, tell us some more. So your relationship thing.
So yeah. That go on, relationship pass and gone, so me have time now, so me kinda dedicate myself now to the whole shooting and acting, as you can see. And I have 3 kids. So ladies, if you know me, I have 3 kids. I don't want candy in my video now. I have 3 kids, ladies. AJ, Alora, and Mia. You see me? And they're not, I don't candy their mother.
All of them is from the same mother?
No.
3 different mother?
Yes. I was a bad boy.
When I grow up, I want to be like you.
No, when I was.
No, me don't want to be like you.
I was a bad boy. I was
a
a bad boy. No, I'm good. I'm Christian now.
Alright, we have 3 minutes left on the video.
3 minutes. Alright. Go over to Paradise Nation, subscribe. If you know what I said me, I'm going to myself over there. Go over there, subscribe. Me and Candy, we have a video come up still now. We were intense. We never see Candy kissing our video yet.
Kiss her.
See it.
Kiss her.
No,
Kiss her.
Oh,
Kiss her.
Lord of Jesus. Don't stop it. No,
kiss her.
God, me can't manage it no more. Why? Almighty
That's
Father
as
God.
far as it is go.
Me came a quote.
Sorry. That's Alright, so yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel, Akeem Lawrence. That's how your badness come down. We are one family here in Jamwood City. We have a lot of video production with the company here, but it's one family at the end of the day. Alright, I kind of have a flow now. So Candy.
Jesus Christ. God,
take
help
flow,
me.
girl. Take flow.
No.
Alright, so people see it there. Wanna get 1, 2, 3 character from Richard Brown Films to get closer to them personality, you see?
If you want to know more about me,
so
go over my page.
Paradise Nation name?
Yeah, entertainment. Or go over official Alton God.
I want to tell me, if you don't want to see Candy over here, so create a YouTube channel. And what kind of content you don't want to see her put on her channel, see? Later.
Me want to see Candy in a one silk
I'm
dress.
out. Love you guys.
Me want to see Candy in a one silk dress. Talk truth. You don't want to see him take off the jeans and talk truth.
Move, man. Single but me.
You know, me first put her in our video. Though. Me first put her in our video.
Would you smash or pass that man over there? Papa, Christasha says she wants to smash her.
Why you want to smash?
I'm not going to hit you up with.
Good day, people. Welcome back to the channel. One of the things that she an angel, you know. One of swear to God says she an angel, but it's a devil.
Hi, beautiful people. How are you doing? Sun is in my eyes.
But you know, I want to kiss from But remember if you leave a like on the video, guys, and subscribe. So
subscribe, go over to my channel at Krista's Life.
you have content over there?
Yes, I do.
You need to put up video for people and watch and send them over there.
Me I put up video, but it just take my time. Guys, I have about 3 videos, but it doesn't matter. I'm loyal to do it.
Where's the way I do? Another one.
We're gonna do a smash or pass.
Hold on. Smash and pass. With which people them?
We actors and actresses.
We actors and actresses?
Yeah, we co-workers.
So you go first? Hold on there! What that? How? Krista! No! How about that for Krista? This is how that for your neck! Whoa!
Not for my neck.
No, sir. Look how me think this is a girl. Alright. Me cannot money. Something bite up on your neck, mama. You need a mosquito net. No! A mosquito, yeah. A mosquito that narval. So, I use a smash and pass, you know. What going on?
You want me to go first?
No, I go first.
Would you smash or pass Natasha? Her picture is gonna be on the screen, guys.
Yes, her picture I got up on the screen. Smash or pass, Natasha.
Yeah.
I'ma have to pass, man. I'ma have to pass.
Well, that's
I'ma have to pass, man. Hear that smash, Natasha? So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass Alton Garden?
You don't know a pass. Me Alton can't agree.
No, star.
No offense, Alton.
Alright.
Just for our lovely people.
Alright, come again. Me again.
Would you smash or pass? I can't remember the girl's name.
Oh man.
One that you're like a Rasta girl, remember her name?
Oh, Tori?
Yeah, Tori.
Let's smash our pass, Tori. My God, for pass.
Yeah, pass everybody.
No, not everybody will talk about this.
Okay. With a chance, yeah. I like it here.
Yeah.
You have a pretty smile.
Hold on! Yes! Smash! Smash or pass, we are playing. Say, would you smash or pass?
Pass, mommy.
She passed my ear, she smashed me. Whoa!
If I say pass, smash, mommy, man, bust up
Anyway.
So, alright, so me get smashed, guys. I got smashed. Big ups to
You
me.
lie me. You don't ask me about yourself.
So now you just say me have smile and you that smash.
Me say Tori.
Oh, you that smash, Tori?
Yeah.
Hold on, where you say, twin? Hold on, come on, pass. Where you say? This smash or pass not done it. So, pass Natasha, pass Tori. I love them both though. However, Miss here said she would smash both of them. Yeah. So, would you smash or pass? Yours truly. Smash.
Pass.
What?
Pass.
Would you?
I mean, forgot your touch.
Would you? Alright, your turn, bro.
Would you smash or pass Shan?
Oh, that's the girl that always a part to her? Pass.
Pass everyone and woman them.
Would you? Would you smash?
They cage him.
Smash nobody. No woman.
Would you smash or pass? Richard Brown.
Richie and my boss. Me not go touch your boss.
No, I'm not saying gameplay. Oh, yeah, go video me let him out.
No, your brown man, you have passed, you see man, help, you go let him out.
Oh, yeah, go video me.
That's right, camera.
Come, hold this.
You pass every
So,
woman too.
Every
you-
woman?
No man said to smash or pass, you pass every woman and now smash none.
Oh, him say him not smash none.
Me never say me nah smash none, it's just that the one them where you go so far, me pass. Come, you have to put me in the green box. Put me in the green box and press this so me in a focus.
Yeah,
Come.
me, Richie them did show me that.
Alright, good. So, video me. So, we're not done with the smash or pass yet, people. May I go take one little piece of movie?
Yeah,
and
they're
go
not
back?
focus
Don't
yet.
stop, eh?
Oh.
You're not focus now?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Krista shall learn to use the camera. You zoom in. So, go back up.
You're passing.
Pass on yourself.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know how you come up, so you don't want to run back this and come up.
So, you want to go up or down?
I want
Yes, Richie.
to try to say, man. So you can climb.
So guys, we are doing a scene.
Yeah, so? Ready?
No, go in front of me, say, like,
Oi! Video lady, just hold up the camera now. Hey, so, what happened?
What if I know, sir?
What happened?
This heavy.
We're not done smash and pass yet. We have some more smashing to go.
You're going, you know. You're going to smash till you smash something wrong.
Two of them there already.
See, big boss attack then. Put the camera on him now.
No, that
No, that can't go up on internet, you mad.
Attention now.
Alright.
see that side of me.
Where?
Hey.
I'm saying that.
Biba saying, oh, 2 person already.
Yeah, so I'll say.
So now she said.
Yeah, so
She said, I am not in that list of 2 persons who she mentioned. I'm not in the
You
list.
must be my say not 2 persons.
That me know. But when me tell them no clear, please. Me not in that. I'm not any of the 2 that.
So you give her the answer.
Done?
No, almost. Watch it all the time.
No, with me.
Yeah. So you give her the answer.
So come in.
It's right dog. Give me that.
So listen me, lady. Yeah, because behind the scenes. When that the man they are chat up with the camera.
Don't make no noise, boy, man.
Me not see
And
him.
I'm gonna vex up your face. We still come back with the smash and pass.
Action, yeah.
I said Krista Chama, I got.
Yeah, them near me out. Guys, if this don't record 100, I'm not a cameraman.
So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass Megapixel? Answer no?
Mega is a liar, man.
Mega is a loyal man.
So like you smash.
Me never asked you that. Me never asked you
Me
that.
not going to smash Mega because me no want Mega woman come for me.
So yeah.
Don't call me.
Me call you name already.
I'm already
No,
called.
name shouldn't call me because I'm going to be your father.
Yeah,
So, come. Again, ready again.
tell me.
No, you say Mega, you know.
Would you smash or pass the original candy?
Candy, I'm a virgin. I can't smash candy, eh?
I'm a dog.
I'm a general that. I'm a pass.
Get out of focus.
It's alright. You're not focus now. You're not focus. So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass? Juta rhyme. Get out Utah so for a long time. Get out Utah so
You talk us to this?
Hold on.
Oh, this was Pet Rasta.
Where's the pass? You know, say nobody knows.
Lord have mercy.
Me see.
Get
Me see it long time, man. Me I say, what kind of mosquito bite him up so?
Which man?
Vampire. Me don't know which
Nobody
man.
don't bite
You
me.
ask me say which man? Which man?
Nobody don't bite
Which
me
this
neck.
part? curious say baby so coffee do. I get time up and gone home. Maybe I'm curious when right after you go last night after it rain.
Oh, this morning this come happen.
This morning? Early morning wake up.
No, since before me come out here.
Oh, think you want before you come out and say yo.
Because me there freaking
Body
around.
see it. The body see it. I mean saying see it, so you just get something but I look fine, not you?
I have to take the shoe.
Let's have it next.
So just
Because
line
me
up
first
with
do
them.
it. No, I'm there with them.
That's right.
I have a blackout that off our channel.
Here now.
But anyways, your boss, Mr. Jutaram. Sorry, my boss.
Would you
Uh-huh.
smash or pass Carolanda?
Seriously, big man thing. Pass. Come. Would you? No, differently. No can't pass everybody.
I do a pass for everybody.
No, just cause I don't reach down to nobody when we would have smash. Yeah. Alright. For your time again. But no more man no left. Rated. Oh, would you smash or pass? Grey balls.
Blood.
You would have smash and pass and no normal at all. So
Down in belly.
no.
How much that me go do?
My turn.
Rub down in belly. Would you smash or pass Chris Tasha?
Chris Tasha. Yeah, right, that's right now. Smash. Smash.
And that you wait fun.
Smash. Smash.
Oh, you want Sergi? Would you smash or pass?
Hold on, no, we can't laugh, so.
Fire.
Oh. Hey,
Yo. Hey.
Body done. Hey. Try to get intention in the girl. Fire. We're burning in the whole place.
Yo, here we go. The video done. Chris Tasha does why out the video.
Why feel that? Move on there.
Hey, big up on yourself and people. This is really and truly Chris Tasha's version of smash and pass. But it's kind of unfair because, alright, out of whole list of everybody, I want somebody who really smashed. How you go? How you go? It's done, man. You're lucky. So, Chris Tasha, anything you want to say to the people before any video?
Guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Comment if you want one more. Smash or pass, mukbang, whatever. We know we get it.
Alright, don't hear that. So, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in as usual. Remember to subscribe, you know. Remember to subscribe and leave one like on the
I'm
video.
over my
Thanks.
channel.
Tell them to like and subscribe and go up on your channel now.
You tell them about mine. Your turn to talk.
So go up on Chris Tasha channel, people. You know, see them come over there already.
Krista's live.
Krista's live.
Yeah.
Krista's live.
Live.
Live. Oh.
Chris Tasha nearly reached 200 subscribers already and I had 40 at the end of the day.
We are going good month.
Big up yourself. So go and support the movement, people. Look more. We chat to now again. We got tired.
You see the difference now.
What kind of mash and pass do you talk about?
Do you want to do the honors?
Yes, please.
Okay. Smash. Pass. It's just for the video.
Would you?
Not serious.
Would you?
The girl.
Would you?
Wait now.
Would
Wait
you?
now. Let me get the girl name. The girl when you come down here.
Pause it first.
When I.
Pause it first.
I cannot pause the video, sir. It's already rolling.
Shantae's name.
I'll give she same warning like when me give me.
Maybe you
same warning.
Yeah, you give me one.
Shall go back up. Yeah, say it for camera.
Would you
Original, no, me no hear what Richie say.
We don't need to hear what Richie say.
Go hear what Richie say.
What's that?
Oh.
You don't smash our pass, me.
You?
Yeah, smash our pass.
Wait there.
Hold on.
Hold
on.
Yeah, but you know, nobody at all.
Yeah, you're not smash nobody.
You said nobody at all.
Me said smash.
Who?
You're not saying nobody.
Me said mother smash papa.
We can't manage. So come. Yours truly.
No,
smash our pass.
I keep telling you, come down.
No, what?
But I want to hear what she going to say off camera. Because she said, if you don't go by YouTube, say, no, that me.
So I have also Richie. You.
Hold on.
Me I choose. Me want to know.
No, you can't do that yet. You have to just wait. You have to wait till I ask you. So, we have to start with me first. We have to start with me first. Hold on, we have to start with me first.
No, you know, tell you, we say, out of everybody, you tell out in them. John Dick, Tom, and Harry.
So, you don't smash our pass here, truly. Mr. Lawrence here, me, smash pass. What's that? No, sir. No, sir. Alright. Hold on. We start again.
You want me to go barber? Me laugh too much because me just so happy me laugh.
Hold on. Me try to get control of this space, guys. Listen, me try to get control of this space.
Who is it? That you say that. Come on, tell me because you're going to kill us. Come on, eh? Come on, man, talk to you, know.
Alright, smash our pass. Would you smash our pass? That guy.
All time.
Pass.
Blood clot.
Braveheart.
Alright. Again, next. Your turn. So, after me, then you...
Come on.
Would you smash or pass, Candy?
Candy, I'm a general. I'm telling you. Pass. No, Candy, I'm a smash, Candy. Candy, I'm a G. No, Candy, I'm a G. No, but you are going. May I be honest, no, Candy, I'm a G. Me can't smash.
No, that me mean.
No,
you can't turn on.
No, turn off.
Me I say if you go crap the video, then like three ask her about the same thing.
I think they like the perspective then. So.
This is gonna be everywhere.
This one?
If you use everybody, if you ask everybody.
Oh no, it'll be different. It'll cut different. Yeah. It'll be a different video altogether. So back to the smash or passing thing. So she passed Alton. Your time for question me now. Candy, my pass. So my turn for ask you again. Would you smash or pass Richie?
Pass.
What's up?
Pass.
What? Alright, cool. My turn.
Would you smash or pass, Kelani?
Pass, Kelani, I'm a little sister. Can't smash my little sister. And I prefer dark skin over. Yeah. So, my turn again. Smash or pass? Would you? Bag of things go on right now. Bag of things go on. Would you smash or pass Fire us?
Pass.
No, I don't understand how everybody just a pass. I never ask you if you just smash it.
Bunny down to the ground.
I said bunny down to the ground. Alright, my turn again.
Would you smash or pass Christasha?
Smash! Okay. Alright, who there again? Blur it need, yes. Would you smash or pass Hot Pie?
Pass.
Yo, I don't understand how you pass everybody.
Like that, so me couldn't cross the boundary.
Alright. Smash or pass? My turn now. Come on.
Would you smash or pass Natasha? Is that her name?
Yo, me and Natasha just attack all the night and she said she want to make my best friend. I can't smash. You couldn't ask me for it. I can't.
Because
No.
the people them come like family.
No, but mother smash.
Yo, you that smash.
Smash over there.
Natasha.
But me have to pass Natasha. Natasha I'm a G, so.
Why? Where
Have a
the
pass.
other one name? Oh, come. Would you smash or pass Bieber?
Me feel like that face like he answer. Me feel like that face like he answer.
I can't bother with life.
Also.
I have to go pass. Not because of how she looks, she's really attractive, but me have to pass for other reasons. You see me? So, yeah. But come on. I don't know how I think go.
Oh, yeah, look for me.
Hold on. Make a car pass. Hold on, I would run out of man. When I have no man for.
You have mega.
Oh, blur it neat.
The other photographer?
Yeah, the brother will hit it. Would you smash or pass? Mega.
I would pass.
Oh my God.
You know, I think Mega start ask why.
Pass.
Why? No, hold on, and answer one. Would you smash or pass? Yes, truly. Mr. Lawrence.
3 times already.
But you don't answer. Come on.
I have to answer that again.
Where you want to pass? I don't want to hurt my feelings. Smash. So, alright. Good. Oh, my turn? Would I smash? We can't left out Jutta. We can't left out Jutta. But, yeah, my turn again.
Tiffy.
No, my turn again. You pass, you just smash me, so you have to ask me now.
Yeah, Peter alone. So me do that.
Yes, look how you're nice, woman. I want to smash.
If you want to smash or pass, Tori. You have Tori, you have Shani.
Yeah. But what the other girl the name? Would you smash or pass Tori?
They keep on having the same answer. The answer are different.
What if I say I'm not smashing that? Must say I go smashing at the next? Yes, I smash to her.
Why?
I would smash.
Why?
I would smash.
Why would you smash?
I have no particular reason.
Why?
No, but me pass not the last one. You make me say that a while ago. I would pass. Tori, I'm a general. Tori, I'm a
This
general.
one is the truth. You would smash her.
Would smash. Hold on, your time now. Get to you to suffer long time. Get to you to suffer long time. Would you smash or pass? Jutta.
Jutta, right.
Get to you to suffer. What?
Pass. I'll pass.
Pass, Jutta. I feel like run out of smash and pass, you know. Just should I smash?
Okay.
Just should I smash?
You said on camera. And smash and get a fist.
Smash and get a fist. So, anything you want to say to the people and before we go? So that's Honey's mommy, people. If you never watch the movie, go check it out. Where is Honey? What you want to say to the people?
Yes, guys. You can follow me on Instagram at officialyaniboo_32 and on YouTube at keepupwith_yanyan. Yeah.
You have content over there? You have video upload over there?
Just do something I have over there for now.
Oh.
For now.
But I need to post more video.
Yeah, it may come out later now then something. So guys, yeah, thanks for the support all over. Just continue to like, comment, share and support Akeem and all of you. Big up on yourself.
Hear that? What do?
Never do that. Like go look guava and stuff.
Go look guava?
Yeah.
What is that skirt?
Explore.
Just explore. Anyhow. I never do that. No, one time I did. I go. I go on peeps. Over there I hang out with Natasha. This is for a celebration of getting back the Richard Brown Films channel. Yeah. I'm not a drinker. So
Hi guys.
me and Natasha hang out. She's just turning on my new best friend. So I'm gonna tell her, well not all, some of my deepest, some of my deep secret them. I think I want to see her, so me take Natasha and tell her everything.
No, it's not
I think
serious.
so. Okay. So, my friend. So if you don't know nobody else, I'm my friend.
Akin is
Natasha.
a really nice guy.
Natasha is my friend.
And his
You know.
friend.
Oh, what you know what thing though? What interesting? When we just meet at this me.
Don't say that Akin. Yes,
So me
when we
say-
just meet,
When we
Yeah.
just meet what happened?
me feel a way like for the entire night, even in the morning, me did surprise video when you text me and say like I don't remember what you did say to me, but me did like oh my god because me did feel a way. Me I say like why you would have said something like that to me?
No, but my craft. No, she. Alright, I can't use the word disrespect my craft. I don't know how I love video and camera, and that's how I express myself. Somebody kind of feel offended a little bit. You say, look, check back the message then.
I did not say anything to you and you say bye miss. Bye miss. Like, come on from my phone. What that girl there text me?
No, because the thing is,
I was like,
no, you compare me to some other people where, and you talk about some people intention. And then you put me in the same group and I say, oh, John, no start even after we do all of this and you still put me in a some...
probably look at that the wrong way.
Probably.
Yeah, you look at that the wrong way.
So anyways, what we are doing? We're there over the golf course, people. I take some photos with Natasha. If you're looking at the community section of the channel, I'm going to tell us how we are hang out today. So, what? Stunt? I mean stunt. I have one girl. I have a female friend that I do not want to have sex with. Feels good. What make you look for me, sir? That sound weird a while ago? I didn't hear me, sir. So I'm just tell the people I have one female friend where I don't want to have sex with. And it feels nice.
I love Akin so much, but
I
I
love
just
her too.
don't see my somebody I would have sex with.
Good. So we
And I
can
love you
express
so much.
we can express ourselves about any and everything. So I can't tell her anything and we will have no compromise. Yeah, I feel good I tell people my secret. Well, not people, I tell you my secret. So, what we are doing? What we are doing now? We are take picture, but apart from that. You know, you want to tell me more about you or we don't know?
You know everything about me.
We don't know?
You know everything about me.
No, I don't know everything about you.
There is nothing about me that like you really hide.
Hmm?
Yeah. I'm just me. I don't really have nothing about my mother say like mother hide or so.
I don't know, I try to find something fun to do in the video, but I don't know. I never did drink none of this. Oh, so you know, my face kind of feel numb, a little bit under the influence, a little bit. Natasha, which part I go? What?
Going where it's clean.
Alright, where follow you? So for right now, I follow her. I just follow her. And her free spirit. So, I'm going to take that time off to thank you for the support. The video, Love Entanglement, it was supposed to be Love Triangle, but Richie said, Richie said I have to change the name, so I just change it. Like, I never really want to change it still, but for some reason, I think it better I call it Love Entanglement, so I just change it. Because him did inspire me to do short films in the first place, so I just work with it. So I gotta skip, boom flick. Hold on. Mind you hurt yourself, you know, that may I tell you. Ready? That is not boom flick. Yes. You know what's a boom flick on the side one though? Boom flick on the side one. Differently though. Zoom in back. I ask her some personal question. No, I can't ask her. I ask her which guy down here I like, but I can't ask her that. We talk about some things that are close to you. Tell me about some things that are really, really close to you. Probably, I don't know. Probably family. I don't know. I want the people to know
Your
about
lens
you.
don't wipe off. Me I turn reach it on, you know.
Oh. May I see it clear though?
Okay. So as you were saying, some things that family. My family kind of complicated a bit.
Why is your family complicated?
Because both my parents died.
Shucks. John was start. Why am I not consider that every time I ask about family? Condolences. You wanna talk about it? Talk about your favorite one first, if you had a favorite.
Favorite?
Mommy or daddy?
I didn't grow with my father, but I did grow with my stepfather. Like both of them died. Like my father, even though I never grew with him, he died around like 2008 or so. And then my stepfather, now he died like 5 years before my mother.
Dang. Alright, personally, I never have to deal with that, like lose. Apart from, I have this friend named Kerry. Usually play pool together. That's my favorite game, pool. Like play pool, so would I go out and gamble that during college. And one time, so I did my friend. So one time this thing did happen. I think in November 2008. The spot that keeper Montego Bay. So we did the what the little club around like KFC Road, Infinity. Infinity? Club Infinity. So everybody that drink and thing, and then when you hear them from earlier, so them a plan for race game mobile and thing. But me that kind of the little man, cause my cousin them also did the hype and thing. But me I really the nerd, so I just that par with them.
Grass kind of feel it.
Oh. She has sit down for my slippers. Best friend things. So well we a drink plan for go up there. Accident, him lose him life, including the next girl named Lisa. And then yeah. But apart from that, I never have to deal with like I lose somebody through death. I said that because I ask you, like, how was it for you? Like the whole dealing with it.
Like, whoa, very difficult because a lot changed in my life because my mother was like the only person that I really had, the only family.
I get it.
And
you cry?
I'm not cry. And then the most traumatizing thing is that she died in my bed.
So like you were there when she. Wow. Oh, that's why I didn't say I see people and you don't know where them are coming from. I'm like this though. I like this. Can't immortalize this in video. So why I love video so much, guys, because when tomorrow pass now and probably can't get by this, I can probably watch it back. I want to see how I share it with you know. So like the video and subscribe. But differently though, banter aside, like I never know what to say to people where lose people through death more than just try to, make them comfortable as much as we can. But the way you get from that though, differently, you learn nothing from that, you become stronger from it, you still have battle with it.
Like, I still battle with it at times, but I'm grateful which part me there right now because
really believe say God, everything happened for a reason, and God created us, and our life is like a book written by God, so we just live it daily. So anything will happen, we just can't question him. It happened for a reason. I believe say it actually happened for the best.
Oh. As I said that, I have one little thing for my mind I tell about. Like one little thing on my part of me, like I tell myself like I don't worry about it, but part of me kind of fret about it. Even though like I just at the end of the day, like I just now I end up like by myself and alone. You see me that. And the reason why I don't know, probably because why when I said that come up. I don't know, but anyhow, the question I'm really want to ask instead of I express that is like at the end of the day, like something in my eye, like matter in my eye. But I couldn't tell me say sitting in my eye. Sure. At the end of the day though, like where you see yourself, like family wise, married in their house with picnic and something, like at the end of the day, like
really,
paint the picture for me.
Really hope to have a family one day. Like that's the major thing when we focus on a family, because we never really have that. Never really have the family like that. So I hope to have one happy. I just want to be happy in life and have one good family. You know, want to do the bagger. So we just want to have one family and focus on my family and live a happy life.
So that's your purpose for establish one family. Mine though, because sometimes I look for modern times and I say, oh John, I don't get no woman right now want to do that. You see me, so like I say, I try to find my happiness in something else, like videography, camera, all of that. So you ever think I probably have to just scrap there and just find love in something else or happiness in something else?
What do you mean? Like not
say probably you know find one sensible man for bear one child for.
If I don't say, you know, say honestly, I don't think that. I don't really see no man who attract me or excite me the way they. I feel like I'm not going to ever find the kind of man who I look for.
And that's my thing too sometimes. And then again, sometimes I feel like I'm the problem sometimes too. Because of how I grew up, so some things I miss out on and I should have learned. And it causes an obstruction this or too. And sometimes I feel like I might never learn that thing that I need to learn. So that's why I try to find happiness in like some apart from that. You see me? But nothing about it so. I think enough man I probably need to have a little more patience though.
Me been patient. Me not rush anything, that's why I just go on normal.
Just go on normal.
Just go and live my life. Right man, me not look no man, me not look no relationship. Just I have faith in the big man up there, so I know say I go work things out for me one day.
Someone know though, what kind of man you like? What kind of guys do you like? No sir. I don't understand. Come. No I know, like tell me, like paint the picture.
I was supposed to design the kind of man that I want. He would be dark or complexion. Like I want a man with
So hold on. I don't mean for cut though. But the complexion is a deal breaker though?
Yes.
John, what
Me just have a thing. Me not me don't want to say this on camera, but me know say a lot of people understand what me mean. Black man have.
Hold on. No, I know. What black man they have? Tell me.
Black man have what you have.
We don't know what that. We don't know. You have to tell me. I don't know. I don't
Alright, so as more man, we just really, honestly, me always say more that they would want soldier or police.
John Star. Boy, anyhow, continue. Soldier, police.
Yeah.
Why though?
because I just feel like for one, them them tough, they're
Okay.
rough, and
Okay.
I feel like a man were really rough. That the way they will bring out the woman inside of me more. That's
no.
one thing. Two, now, me I go feel safe and protected, because if a man believe in protecting his country, why would he do for his family at home?
You know, you're right. But me just turn on police, you know. Like me tell myself, say, like me put the people of the country life before myself. No, honestly. Because I grew up in a Christian home. And then they make me swear upon the Bible. So that that is just really serious to me. Come here and say, I can't take God thing for joke. So then they carry me up there and they make me swear upon the Bible, swear and serve and protect my nation without favor or malice or ill will, until I go in there and really understand the thing. But that aside, you know, like I literally see one stranger and then in a danger, and then the only thing I think about, I have to protect them. And then when I think like me always I say, oh John, if I'm dead, I'm dead in a line of service. So like, you're right, but some of them do, them are, some of them are not that. They like, when you think in your head and that. Some of them just care about if you complete the hours and just go and yeah. But police and soldiers, so continue.
And
oh, by the way, if there's a policeman and you watch the video, do you see how I help you out a while ago? Alright.
Thirdly, I would say like a man that is out there, you know, hard working, and you're out in the streets, you're going to experience a lot and you see things daily, and you will more focused on your family.
Yeah.
Because me, I'm a family woman.
Yep.
Yeah.
How many kids do you want?
How many kids do I want? Like, any amount me can.
What?
Any amount me can take care of in the future.
So, if you can take care of 12 pitney or more.
I can't take care of 12 things.
My grandmother have 6.
I
6 is a
don't
number?
have too much thingy, because more ensure say my child is happy and comfortable and has everything that he or she
I like how the light hit your face in the frame right now, I swear.
Who would I say? 2.
2? 2 good. Boy and girl. More than anything though, I feel like more than a nice little princess, nice little girl. And just spoil her and protect her.
Twin, but twin in my family. So.
Me neither. I always say more of that too, but that's not in my thing. Twin. So, Natasha, I feel like we bleed out on a whole heap a while ago. Our best friend ceremony, this is our best friend ceremony, you know, so you can't, like, best friend ceremony, Natasha, I'm my best friend now. So,
Period.
yeah. She know everything about me now, people.
Yeah,
You want to tell them a joke? My dog said tell them one thing, when I secret them I tell her, but that wouldn't make no sense. So we are cut now. Anything we want to say before we cut out?
I just want to say, guys, thank you so much for your support, and please just continue to support, continue to like the videos, continue to share, continue to comment, and just continue to do what you can do. And we appreciate you guys so much.
Yes, we do. And if for some reason you live under one stone, Richard Brown Films channel come back. So, I don't know if I'm telling you still, but you see, I don't know if Richie see it, but him channel and the name Richard Brown, it has become more than just a YouTube channel. I just want a YouTube channel upload movies. And then I think that can be proven in some of the videos that I upload, because like before this, I did have one channel with 14,000 subscribers, and you know, it's like the audience over there, like the platform never that. You have to go straight down though.
Yeah, go straight down.
Let me ask you something, Zine.
Yeah.
Like when you split, so like, how it feel?
Try
It no, me my things, no, I can't do that.
Make you exercise.
No.
No, just hold out when you put them.
Ah boy, problem. No, wait. I thought
Your bone never broke. You want to move to say if you exercise?
I want to come meet, not wrong.
You don't have nothing for exercise if you want
Let me say. So meat more for my flesh. Ron recommend porridge and them something. Porridge.
Yeah, video.
Yeah. So you see the button where say AF
on.
So it turn green now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that means I'm in a focus.
Guys, I'm videoing my
So
friend.
when you move, just let go the AF and press it again, and then it go back in focus. So it's when it turn green, it means I'm in a focus. So hold on, I want them I can do sit up. See, shit. You know, so I get
hear your bone. You hear your bone?
May I have too much sex at that? Maybe if it.
Tap your eyes.
Maybe if it keep me sperm. My name's
You look good there, so.
God no?
Yeah.
Look sexual?
Not really.
Alright, good.
You're a little meat.
wait. I feel like we are going to end the video. No. When I already get too much, I joke. When I get too much, but
Video can't.
I think the video personal. I'm going to save it to a whole heap of different places to make sure I'm going to lose that one especially. But yeah. People, thank you again for the support. Thanks to all the people who help to get back Richard Brown Films channel. Big up yourself, Richie. The only
Big up
person.
the camera woman too.
Huh?
Big up the camera woman.
Big up. I'm tough. If you never see my set, big up. Remember if you press the AF, let it go and press it again if you come in focus. So, big up the camera woman. Big up Richie. Richie are the first person who I'm book in a life where have the same amount of passion towards video like what me have. Me feel like him match it. Like me meet people like Adrian McDonald, me meet people like Jason Barnett, a whole heap of people who do video. And like video and photo, and like none of them me see passionate about it like how Richie passionate about it. And that just make me feel like you have more people in the world appreciate this video thing. So yeah. And thank you. Thank you all for the give me camera. Now look here. People want to see how my camera girl position for video. 6 minutes left on the clock.
So as you were saying,
I'm gonna take some picture of the house before I leave. So come, close the video, Natasha. Tell them to like and subscribe and all the things. Are you the video end with? Say it now, come back on my face.
come on that side.
See, I'm thinking careful when I left.
Guys, please remember to like the video, leave a comment down below, share, because we really need the support, and continue to show us love, and we love you guys so much. Bye.
Good.
Come in, focus.
Come and get your friend this whole album. Come on, try this up. Yeah. Step up and see lighting first, Alton. Step up, stand right there, stand.
My name.
Alright, Alton, go up in the room and walk out. Pull up video and you walk out.
Ready?
Yeah. Alright, come back now.
You go down, you don't give back that. You don't give back that shot.
I'll tell you, you can Ready? It's alright. And action now.
So they want to make up their mind.
Don't. Oh yeah. Nice. Right now. So all the time. So since you're aware, so tell him say yo pass a knife again. Pass a knife. So I'll just pass a knife. Alright, to make the jam attack. Pass a knife for the pot. They will pass a knife on the pot. So you hold on upon this, hold on upon this. And decide to stay. That's what kill them now. You don't say a friend, but you know you think already. You want to give him that convincing type of vibe, you know what I'm saying? Alright, that's right. So your turn on what I'm doing. Okay. No, go to some focus first.
So you don't want to know what's it.
Step out and come back with it. Action.
No one knows, so they say they want to make up their mind.
You can push mine, pass the knife and one iPad to me. Listen, me, nobody now left out there. They must go steal.
Come on. And you're gonna say everything.
Because my
No, you're gonna say everything. Oh. Your turn now. I was on him. So what you remember saying if you say to your part, say yo, you want to see your friend, you know. But nobody gonna left out that tonight. Nobody gonna left out that today.
If you keep at the pattern.
Pass everything back now. You want to say your friend, but nobody gonna left out there. Alright, you know, action has done.
So you don't want to know, so they say they want to make up their mind.
Make up what kind of mind, pass the knife on the pot to me. Listen, me man, you know I friend them in a but them have to stay one way or the other.
Don't move. Don't move now while you walk out and see.
Because me I go laugh.
No, don't laugh. Just stay in the scene. Because this time they won't see. Only there
So me can't just start back for the pot.
No, man, it's not. Yeah, just them pass the pot. Give me pot. Give me pot right now. I don't see any part me but take. Because now they won't come from soon. Now they won't come soon there. So right now, then pass the pot. Ready now, action. Oh, you want to do it from the beginning? Make him do it from the beginning. Go on out there, ready?
So you know, so they say they must, then so you don't know, so they say they must make up their mind.
Make up what kind of mind, nobody can left out there. Pass the knife on the pot to me. You know why your friend there, but nobody can left out there today, one way or the other. What we are going to do?
Alright, alright, so fire! Fire! Curious! Yeah. It was kitchen and it's walking and scene. Then they were kitchen one. We want to put down and like, man. So that I'm coming out to him say.
You know one thing you want to mess up. For the do a pull so. The one the behind the wall so. And one with that turn up front to you.
Right, make it some more.
When they have the knife then one with the
pot.
With the pot.
Like already
which are the pocket, they were like the road pot.
Share with the pot. And that's how the knife.
Yes, so knock up the knife on the front and then shoot at it on the item.
My kitchen. Which one you want them? Show me exactly what you want them. You want them here, so? One there, so?
Yeah, one here. Right, so with
I want the refrigerator.
I want the right, that's all. I'm saying, oh yeah, you know, so we are company chip, man. Then I call them now.
This and walk, friend, this and come on, you know what's cash out?
Yes.
When you get the door, they come to the door. No, man, go to the door right now.
Eh? Where's what you do?
You have the door, sir. Everybody goes to here tomorrow.
Yeah.
And the day now, so. Oh, you know, by take this one, so you know what's the boy? What take a trip in the man?
All right. So I'm ready after some breakfast, I look good. All right. Now we're going to show you. So walk from this. So when you're kitchen, walk from this, so when you walk from this, now, then you cut and reposition myself. Are you hear me? Then you reposition myself. You there so with the knife, she over this with the pot. Alright, so me tell you. Let me tell them to walk off. Ready now. Where's no order? I was one movie. Say one. Here we go. Alright, you come back happy. Yeah. Alright, so everybody have to come to that side. Here's on the scene. Come that side, yeah. No man, good then, good then. Alton, walk and see me say lighting stay. Alright, so ready now. Come back with that scene. Come back with that scene. Are you ready? Action. Alright, good. Let's see how it is. Yours, ready? You go on, man. Go on. Step out, me see lighting. Step out.
You know, so we go company journey.
I like it.
Burn it up.
Yeah, go on to the work, eh?
Do the work, is it?
Yeah, man, Rastafari, man.
Alright, just go back in, Chris. Back in.
Big up yourself, and big up.
Love my brother, when I'm going to bang.
Alright, so stay in the character. Stay in the character.
Ready?
Lock the door. Stay in the character. And come on. And ready now.
Yeah, man. We go do that now. We go company journey. Now we can go down tomorrow, man. I'll be next day.
Oh, you know, it's some breakfast and something on the boat.
Yeah, man.
You said good?
Yeah, man. We can go something, man.
Sure, you good?
Alright.
Let me
forget ready now.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're not gonna cook breakfast.
The man factory we want egg.
I'm gonna eat egg.
Alright. So probably when you go on the road.
Try some black.
No plan there, no plan. When you go on the road?
Alright.
Forget ready now.
Come back now. Come on. Open it and we can make it so no walk on it. There's no my position.
No, after.
Alright, so curious.
Cameraman, may I pass me?
Yeah, man, come in. You like you walk from Westmoreland?
Well, you don't back for me. Trust me.
Why beat your back? You go and down a lot though.
I'm going now, man.
Go and down everything good enough.
Can I show you where you're going? May I post that one right now as me done with it? May I post this as me done? And
Watch my BTS, you know.
yeah, man. May I post this and
Alright,
cut.
come back, mom. Come back. Alton, stay right there, Stay behind, right there. Come.
Look at what I'm going
Alton, so let's take some cut away. It's like your hands. Yes. Don't move. See, right, so that's serious. Curious, come on. Alright, so we are here in the beautiful Portland.
Ready now.
Gone are the days
Ready.
we're not in Jamaica anymore. Come curious, right? Come and let me see lighting. Serious, right? See. Come on, when you come, I just say.
Bunny down to the ground.
We go up there, man. So you know, come and show. And say, yo, we go see and take a chip.
So I literally have to show my eyes right now. From Genesis till now.
Yeah, no,
These
we
are
are
my
going
eyes.
now. We go take it, the offer. Because we never have a show and we're not going away. You know what I mean? That's good vibes.
Alright. Cause I saw breakfast, you said they all look about, you know.
Yeah, man, we would have taken the... Yeah, man, we would have taken the...
Give me pan.
Oh, well, I'm going fast.
Yeah, man, that's what egg, you want for an answer.
Yeah, man, so it's a good vibe, man. So you want egg?
No, may I eat egg?
You plan?
Yeah.
Oh, we fry some plan.
Why not plan there? We don't go on the road, man, car. Go on now.
Yeah.
Good. I go here. Where we are going?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, Alton, stop right, so me catch a shot of you and talk. Just in case. Stop right. So you also there, so just look like you're no, stop right, stop. No talking.
So after this, I'm going straight for the cruise.
You no talking, pause it, no talking. Ready now, ready.
Yeah, man, that's some breakfast. So they look good, man. Pass it.
Come on, say part ready now. And action.
Yeah, man, that's some breakfast. I look good.
Ready again.
Yeah, man, that's some breakfast. I look good, man. I say, on stay. Alright. So when you go on the road, we do that. Give me part. When you go on the road, we get that, man. Because none of them is not there. Alright. Yeah, man.
Alright, take back the part for her. No, I see now. That way. You don't think you get no shot. No, just look like that. Look, that's up on you. That look on.
Get ready.
Alrighty. So we get with what we want. Some pork, we have a farm, but it's a blue lagoon now.
Now what time now?
So we're just right now.
What time is it, sir?
Almost 4 o'clock. So we have blue lagoon, you see. Because I don't know, we can't come and put down and just stay in a house, might as well we don't do this ourselves. So, yeah. Bad thing about this, we don't have shots. That's the bad thing about this. I have no shots.
So, yeah, people, raw, uncut, unedited, behind the scenes, right through my eyes.
Raw, uncut, edited scenes.
Raw, unedited, you're not gonna see it because the LCD now work. No, if you look through the viewfinder.
I mean by that, maybe you want to see the video. I want to see the video itself. Can I see the video?
You're a troublemaker. Yeah. What? Can I have no beer? You're rude. I'm a spank you. Too rude.
Spank over.
So big up on yourself, people. So,
stop this video.
Because I'm used to it. Yeah, so small.
Because I'm too short, so my anger have nowhere to go.
This is some different kind of behind the scenes and now shooting now going. Them always want the camera. Wait, have a little patience. Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, what experience like so far, sir?
In terms of what?
Everything, man. A journey here, shooting the movie so far, everything. The whole Portland experience.
Well, you know, so to be honest, you don't feel no different from what...
Give Mr. Brown the floor, 1 second.
Yeah. It not feel no different from any other day making movie, you know what I say, but it kinda...
Hold on. Hello, hi. A second, please, 1 second.
Alright, so it not feel like any other day making movie, just feel like a regular day making movie. Just that, you know, in different environments, so you try to appreciate the environment and just take in as much as you can. Even do our work, your work. You know what I say, but you don't feel much different.
See, tell me, I feel the same way like down at Westmoreland.
Not necessarily because, in my back of my mind, I say, yo, I'm going to be hard. But apart from that, it's just different. You know what I say, so we just have to take in.
So we are trying to say that like we complete?
No, I did not say that, but he's asking a specific question, like if the experience anyway different. I mean, I say the experience Just like that.
And what she basically say is that
if them add anything to the experience.
Yes, that them as well she's supposed to add to the experience. Big up your confidence. Big up.
I don't know what to tell you. It's when
Alright, so what to me?
No, hold on.
As we see a bit more talking and stuff.
Alright, let me tell you what. You see, for me personally, when I am in a working mode, me now a working mode. You say that I come out of working mode now, then I can go back to my normal self and enjoy whatever is there to be enjoyed. But as when me now a working mode, I just work.
As we realize with myself too, when me I do, when we realize there's some probably misunderstanding or something when nothing happen, we start smile because you know.
Watch out, them a bun. Them a bun. They're bonding. They're bonding. This is beautiful. People, when you see it there, live, right in front of you. Two strangers getting acquainted.
No, man, you have put that out about getting acquainted. You know?
So acquainted, I get to know each other. So she knows so when you're in a work mode, you're just in a work mode. Hold on. Yeah, I gotta see the video. Yeah, definitely I gotta see the video. Me, I gotta post it right now. Go up on the channel and subscribe. My channel, Richard Brown channel. Boy, you know, look good still because you know, to work 100. But, alright, I take out the video now, put it on the computer and post it because we run out of memory and I have to transfer it. So, I can see it, I can see it on the computer. Pick up yourself, people, later. It's just a couple minutes at the amount of work we have to put in.
I will take up the light off for yourself.
No, they are complete on the whole movie. Later, we got it. So, alright, let me see it. The zoom good enough. So, what they are Blue Lagoon people, Portland. Yeah, I know you can't see it on my face, I'm exhausted, yes. But this video is a showcase of the entire place. Hopefully the experience immersive. So yeah, unedited, probably color graded or edit the sound or something, but apart from that, raw, uncut, unedited, just straight to win. Yeah. Subscribe, like, and share. Enjoy.
Ready? Hold on, Alton, now fall over shoulder, your hand, hold on. Ready. Alright, go and roll up on the board. Rasta man, you say me I'll be like you. Can't be like me. Born again.
Alright, so where both man, you ready?
How much money you put for a clean boat?
There's force money. Force money for the boat.
How much money you have to put?
Sure.
Oh, you got the chain already?
Yeah, let me give it to you.
You are here, man. Alright, boat. Yeah. So where boat there? Where boat there?
I don't know how much money. Just tell me money. Well, I'm good.
What cause is that? This is what take picture and go hot when by.
We're not going far in the mouth, just one circle and come back in the morning.
No, sir. I wish I go where I'm going.
Use the mic, sir. Use the mic. Come out, have a look. Come out. Me I call you here now.
You were?
Yeah.
Alright, sorry.
Still doing your part.
Okay, I didn't hear you.
No, we're not going to.
You shouldn't take your picture. I don't want nobody to breathe.
Yeah, man.
What's up, Brown? What's happening? What's happening, sir?
I don't know what I'm going to go up on the boat. I don't know why I hold up. If I choose a cheap out the thing, I don't know. Just mention. I don't ever feel like they're cheap out the things and they don't want to carry me. I don't know. You know, we don't have no money.
Okay. Can't come out there and play some money, man.
You play that rich people.
Shoot some movie and the blue lagoon in idea and go on, nah man. Nah, some Rasta man style.
Blue lagoon.
Rasta man.
Yo. You go tell the boss. Nah, here you break up. Yo.
Rastafari. Hope some of us.
What you say?
Drown out.
Yeah, make you send me.
Out all of this.
Let me come down with start mode.
No, come on. Alright. Check down. Good. Alright.
Yeah man, text me info, me want it. No problem. Alright, me want it, alright.
I go there, sir, my general. I go there, sir?
Yeah, man, me want it. Text me info.
You can't stand up, you can't do anything you want.
Okay.
So I can catch on shot man when I drive it.
You're late, my youth. Just focus on everything, man.
Yo, me the palm place where the service is so good, but I want it. Me the one place. Yeah, so text me info. Alright. All done. You come to the side of the car. Come to the side of the car. You come to the side of the car. What's up? You want to drive beside of it. What's that kiss like for the altar? You know, you a kiss man. Are you always do all the kissing? Are you always do all the kissing? Come on, man.
Yeah, dude, brother.
How was she dead?
No, support some business dog, but this vampire, he can't do that.
Yeah, the dope man. She had to be down on the hand too much. I'll tell you, no, say this is a camera, I shall make you go and video fire with it. Run this up. I use a phone. But 4K though. 4K that part? Yeah, 4K. Yes, it's always a blessing to enjoy Jamaica. It's always a blessing. Because we don't know, say most time we as Jamaicans.
You sound different. You sound different though. Like even when I say we as Jamaicans. Like we're there, if you like so we're not watching behind the scenes. Are you here watching that, brother? They want to talk to me normal.
Yeah, sometimes you have to speak proper so the foreigners can understand.
We as Jamaicans understand.
No, put it down back for me. Sometimes you have to speak properly so the foreigners them can understand, because it's not only Jamaicans are watching behind the scenes and the movie. So sometimes you have to speak properly.
put on the accent on it, tell my boss.
Where's the go on normal?
Go on normal. When they out of Blue Lagoon, I go on normal.
You film and get ready for the side.
Go on normal over there. Alright.
Oh, what is a quarry? Get ready, you know.
So yeah, people, still in Portland. When would I describe the experience as, I don't even know it. Probably just wait till it concludes and everything. But yeah, Blue Lagoon, I do the boat sail.
Yo, I'm telling you, because they normally drive where you go through some of the rocks and the mountain, they up in the water, but they up stand up straight. That's there. Last time we come out here, so we pass one place, we pass through some rocks.
Okay, so that don't just come through, man. Just do rock there.
We can drive through the rock, we drive to the side.
How tide high, I know?
Yeah.
Just make us reach our nice spot, we can just film, look and then turn back.
Say that again?
So girl, it's a naked, they gas you.
Yeah, you will style up on your man to turn up the stairs, right like glass door naked. Yeah man, naked, bro. Listen, what you do this I'm like tours on a really tourist stand on we refurbish it.
But I never ever come Portland and not come Blue Lagoon. Frenchman school. A nice little island. Could have probably go over there, couldn't inhabit us in Niagara.
Just film, look at that fire, I make fire film down so we can use it.
Normal.
No plans are taking out.
My good, I'm not coming.
But hey, I'm come out all time. Nah, come out, you know. Fire, come out now. Alright. Can I talk to man every man? Fuck you, man. Yeah, like you know I come out.
Man, hey, yes, God, no.
Watch your now. Yes, sir.
So curious, you just walk with a few man there, but last of that. You have a few man there, you have to test the water first. I don't see you. Go up here, the man in that movie there. Come on, go up here. What make? We can't walk with them now. Curious, you want to narrow your pocket.
Come over and I think my friend I'm older man.
Go on, hold on, man. Sure.
Me alright.
When the phone drop out here.
Curious, you see same thing.
So yeah, man, we're there, I go on normal same here. On the Blue Lagoon. You understand?
Always I go on now.
Monkey Island to the now. Monkey Island to the bar now.
Monkey Island.
Long time ago, many years ago.
Monkey Island.
Then carry them to the zoo.
They
don't want never want them to multiply upon the island.
Why not?
The island too small for the amount.
Make them multiply, who dead and who live. Foolish is that?
Yeah.
I don't know what feed them. That's madness. Go on feed them, Alton. Go on. Hakim, go to the man over there.
Yes, sir. I'm not going to that weird. Me get enough zoom from right or something, can see who all around over there. Engage with them, my friend. So, I remember to check out Richard Brown behind the scenes, because he might go over there.
Richard Brown behind the scenes?
Yeah.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, man. How much YouTube channel you have? Me and one Richard Brown films, we have a movie them, see?
Richard Brown films.
Yeah, and from there say we get a link to everything else.
Okay.
Yeah.
Loud and clear, up the thing. Captain Ringo, Blue Lagoon.
Yeah.
Richard Brown film.
Yeah.
Every time, yeah.
So you
come to the Blue Lagoon, yes.
What do you mean?
Check out Ringo, Captain Ringo. Every time, yes.
Alright, my general.
Mess up the thing, yeah?
Alright, manners and respect. Yeah. Tell them I go again.
Captain Ringo.
Captain Ringo, Blue Lagoon.
Yeah. Everything up, yes.
What's up? How I go on? I never get that part out. I never get it.
This can't go in the water, but we're not carrying on the seawater because seawater no good feed. So we're there.
Boss, I go on normal.
Rastafari business, you know. Monkey Island. Long ago, they never know what's in the left me.
That much that catch. I'm not catch it. Boss, make a dive on the boat a while ago. Wonder what go on.
Yo, like I man them, you know, so they catch some Jamaicans from one boat that go on a day. Yeah, I'm a Florida, they catch them or something like that.
Florida?
Yeah, one of us about Jamaica hard, them up here running.
But you got that a lie. Like, Jamaica hard, but
no,
it's not that bad as where they make it like people are run with.
Yeah.
So the crime is down here high, so we have to run away.
Our normal boss gone up in the hills.
You know, Jamaica not bad, but it's not as bad as yeah. And if he likes it because he's telling that now give him as harsh as a punishment. So alright sir, I'm so sorry to hear that Jamaica is this bad. We're just going to let you just stay in America. Yes, we know that you just stay.
He said that the objective, why use the argument? Yeah, I don't so far man.
And like give him asylum. It's just murder and killing is going on down there. We can't go back, we're gonna die.
But I'm not a lie, you're going like a lie.
No, murder and killing are going, but it's not to the point where me I can run with.
Yeah, can you have money, can you shield yourself?
No, that I'm not rich.
You're not rich.
So what? That the man that way him look, me know say I want to change.
I just say.
You can't broke and full up boat with gas and dry. That take resources and money.
Yeah, probably man have implant across the waters, I don't know.
I ain't want people to come yeah, I want boating and a big old boating too. But like, they don't live straight from Jamaica car. Bye-bye. Yeah man, fly the flag high man. Straight up to the Blue Lagoon. Easy. Okay, alright, wanna go through this up?
That's it.
Just film Alton them a drive through. Film Alton them. Send them there. They have to film them.
Yeah, man, around here is the deepest part of the lagoon, 230 feet deep around here. That's a free dive board over there where David Lee set the world record of 173 feet free dive over there, yeah? Yes, about that?
I use a laptop in the ground.
Enjoy it, James. Enjoy the tour. Oh, no, we are the focus still.
Why not behave yourself? You can't behave yourself. Why not behave yourself? Behave yourself.